excitement, and unforgettable moments marked the night. Stampede left several people injured. Vybz Kartel was crowned the new king of dancehall. The venue buzzed with a variety of food from vendors along with display of goodies from major sponsors like Pepsi, Red Stripe, Hyundai, UDC, Street Vibes, and Style Jamaica. Govana delivered a show-stopping performance and surprised the crowd by gifting his mom a brand new car.
It's about a year ago, about 2 years ago. Look up there, sir. You tell me, say, you want a CRV. You tell me, say, you want a CRV.
Masicka shook the stage with his raw energy, but in the crowd, this might be his last Sunfest.
And this might be my last Reggae Sumfest, you understand? Because we can't take the style thing now, bad boy.
Last but not least, Shaneil Muir, decked in gold, delivered a golden performance.
Hey, what are you talking about?
DJ Star. Yeah.
This is Sunfest.
Yes.
And when it comes to Sunfest, it means lyrics.
Ready.
I want you to drop a freestyle in Sunfest tonight. Let me see something. Let me see something at Sunfest.
Ready.
Let me see some.
Ready, mix it. This is full of lucky night. Squeaky, I want zero and lucky night. Say it one like say I want lucky night. But this is opinion for no boy. No broke boy can't broke in it. Top girl, you want cuts and struck in it. You want cuts from again, stuck in it. Round it for a PP club. I told me I'm the
Jamal, despite not having a band, yo, trust me, him amp up the crowd with his electrifying set.
Dance! Them say the bands now work with me chameleon. As usual, when we represent over here, so millions. Alright, yes, I do. Millions. What one? Millions. Over here, so now millions. Sunfest, millions. Where we are back for millions. I want guns man in a Sunfest. That's me show we are press back. Clean like me paid with the scotch bright. New episode of the stoplight. The 535 not high. She said don't miss the only stamina. 150 video rate, get the facts right. Welcome to the trap life. 12,000 and I get a fat ride. Have a wars when I bang up on a landline. Every day man top and I know sometime. Move is out in a half while night. Up a brick and a none so we go.
The 2025 staging of Sunfest was highly anticipated as local music lovers from abroad flooded the ground of catching all in Montego Bay, eager to satisfy their entertainment cravings. Watch, relive the energy of night one, dancehall night, at the ultimate celebration of reggae and dancehall culture. Kaboom! Oh yes, massive, how easy. You don't know Reggae Sumfest, we are here. No joke, no doubt. Montego Bay. You don't know a thing, big up our Montego Bay massive. All Jamaica massive Reggae Sumfest is here. You don't know, and the man, you don't know Vybz Kartel himself will be performing on Reggae Sumfest stage tonight after 13 years. Massive, we reach. Look good now, man. Big up to the security them over the VIP parking. No joke, no doubt. And shuttle bus. Yo, hold on, don't left me now. You understand? No joke, Mr. Montego Bay, we're there. Stay tuned and let's do this. So yeah, listen. So I got a VIP ticket, Zin, so that means I get a VIP parking. Once I get a VIP parking, you're gonna get a shuttle bus. So a shuttle bus actually transports you from the VIP parking lot to the front of the venue, Zin, which are gonna just show your ticket or show whatever you have to show. So you purchase the ticket or you're supposed to be on the venue. But out at the front, you have food galore. Every kind of juice, chicken a fry, rice and peas, fried fish. You got everything from herbal stuff. You don't know if you all the grades man them, you don't know everything there. Cartel t-shirt, not to mention cheer if you sit down, cheer on top of cheer. Everything there at the front. You see me I say, so yeah, I'm talk to one of them chef here, I'm going to hear what going out on the front tonight. Come in, man. So yeah, you don't know. There with one of the big chef out here, you know what I mean? What the man name?
I do it to know as Code Chef, is it?
Code Chef.
Yeah, man.
Yes.
Alongside Westman, you see
West.
me?
Wait a minute. Who are you?
Man.
Westman.
Yeah,
You big
man.
up the Westman, eh? We say on the aisle.
Yeah, man, and
Oh,
I jerk
gosh,
boss
man.
this.
A
West.
jerk boss.
Yeah, man, I know size super, right? So we have some mixture. This name chocolate water, you know?
Yeah.
Big up, you know, strong up here, everything, you see?
Judge, know. So hold on, what the vibe on with the energy so far because the show not start yet.
Yo, let me tell
so,
you this, bad man.
What go on? Out you stay now. Yeah, tell me what go on.
Let me tell you that Sunfest, I will wash out with belly, I will cap and we pocket.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
You see me, cause Vybz Kartel, I come and show ya.
Yeah.
Remember me tell you, sir.
I know it's a big up to
Me
Jamaica,
just
you know, because this is the
want
one and
to show the
only
people them
moment
look and
and a
feel.
special moment, you see it? So here what you do, man. You see a moment,
Yeah.
make sure you no retreat, no surrender. And that we say right now. Big up to Reggae Sumfest, Reggae Vibes, all the time.
What the man name again?
A Code Chef, you see?
And when they can find it, you have a business or a restaurant or something.
Well, you don't know it's not a business, but here we go on now. You can find me at Design, Code Design at YouTube. You get me?
And we with the jerk chicken actually and the Jimmy Cliff Boulevard, right at 4th Street here, the best jerk chicken you can ever find. We work with Pier 1,
Yeah.
we work with Reggae Sumfest for the just a band. We usually be with Reggae Sumfest till we turn over, brother. Let me tell you, we
Yo,
love it, see?
mad thing.
Cause
So-
enough money, people them love it. We love to see when they come out and enjoy themselves. Everything. We
So
make
hold
money.
on, let me ask you something. So what you think, crowd? What you think about how much people are going there tonight?
A million, I look for a million and enough, you see me?
Tell them at what
Right
time.
now.
Tell them say I just little bit after
Oh,
7.
God have mercy. After 7 hours, I see
All right,
about
make it see.
Roadblock.
300,000 people already.
Yeah, man, what time is it? I just 8 minutes past 7 and there's no space almost already. So here we go on now.
Nice, man.
A tonight name Sell Out. You get me?
Yes,
Sell out before the bookings.
Watch out now. On a year, Vybz Kartel actually never performed for Reggae Sumfest in over 13 years, you know, bro. So, you don't know, say over here, so shell out.
You see, I Joe Barnabas.
Yeah,
I
big up
best,
Joe.
I best. Remember me tell you, Joe Barnabas. I best, me Masicka. Before Joe Barnabas, we couldn't make no money.
Bogdanovich, yeah.
From the back, Barnabas.
Yeah, don't worry yourself, but I want piece of
I'm a
name.
I love him.
Yeah, man, so you don't know. The greatest thing is to
Reggae Sumfest.
represent all of the hustle of them.
Yeah.
This give an opportunity for everybody to have something in them pocket.
That a
But
cool.
not only the pocket, is to please the guests and please the vendor, the property.
Man.
So the greatest thing is, worldwide, this is the best moment in a lifetime.
You hear that?
Big up.
All right, so you hear from the big chef out here. I tell you, straight
Rice
down
and
the
peas,
line,
yeah.
bro. You
Yeah,
have
rice
people
and peas,
from
ready?
both sides selling fish, rice and peas,
Jerk
soup,
chicken, the
jerk
best you
chicken,
can find
festival.
right now,
Me see
see?
fried dumpling, me see fritters. Yo, me see, me don't know one of them, a massive Reggae Sumfest
Nice.
2025. Now, normal.
Sell out.
Believe me, no man.
Burn up.
Oh.
Yeah, massive. So standing outside at the front, you don't know me running to the general, Mr. Israel. And Mr. Israel I sell them things. What them things you sell, Mr. Israel?
Some natural, authentic food, seasoning, your pimento, your onion, your cucumber, your carrot, your vinegar, and lots of things were good for your body. Your blood cells need them things of a feed.
And you sell them a Reggae Sumfest.
Yes.
Cheese and peas. So
Yes.
the one that we say good for you go up on the fish and all them things.
Yes.
I'm mad sitting there, man. Mr. Israel, where you
Yes.
come from?
In at the 13.
In at the 13. Remember you have Kingston 13 too.
I see him one man. Original.
Original,
Yeah,
Mr.
man.
Israel. So massive, I don't know Reggae Sumfest 2025. I'm going to tell us about outside with the patron, them just to find out the vibe. The show not start yet. So you don't know you have man like Tommy Lee scheduled to perform, Vybz Kartel himself, Masicka. You have so much artists. Book me tonight. Yo, Spice, show no normal. Where's Mr. Reason? Who's the artist them you specifically want to watch tonight?
Me come to hear the Dan, the Gargan where them call Mr. Kartel.
Mr. Kartel?
Yeah.
That's after 13 years.
Watch I know.
Yo, Moir, see king of dancehall.
The whole of head them.
And him queen,
Just
you
a
see me?
minute, just a minute now. The whole of head them.
Yeah.
We feel say.
You can't be a king without a queen.
Me done just 1 minute with me now, man.
All right, go on.
The whole of head them.
Yeah.
We feel say them are still king of the dance hall. Then we know say time go and time come. And Mr. Kartel now.
A film
Mr.
time.
Kartel now.
Yeah.
Gaza, me say.
Gaza.
And Mr. Kartel time. Yellow man and Beanie man. Yellow man, you can call the youth Senate. Take back your talk. And the 70s and 80s is when he was king of the dance hall. A millennium now. So give the youth a what? Give the youth a
There's a gaming crown
props.
now.
Give the youth a props.
It's a Gaza.
Gaza.
Jamaica won by Mr. Israel.
Kartel.
So massive, me I tell you.
Yeah,
just
man.
the energy, the vibe out there from the people them.
Yeah,
Yo,
man.
trust me, whole heap of chef. We just go and get a natural vibe out
Yeah,
there.
man.
And we're there with Kino.
Yeah,
Yo,
man.
probably see me name Kino, but I rest Kino name.
Yeah, man. Sunfest, turn up the thing, man. You don't know the thing, man. Dance all night, it's not normal.
No, man.
It's not normal.
From what time I reach out there?
From Thursday night today, I dance all.
Thursday night?
Yeah. Sound clash.
From Sound Clash.
Yeah, man.
Easy, no, man.
Yeah, man.
So right now, are you a look spot this?
Yes, man. Our local spot this, man. The baddest soup and chicken out there, man.
So you got soup and chicken. What kind of chicken? Jerk chicken?
Jerk chicken, man.
So jerk chicken, I go soup and
Yeah,
one,
man,
man.
the hottest
Oh
thing,
gosh, man. Right
See
on the
it,
front,
man.
right at the
Pretty.
gate.
Yeah,
oh,
man.
my. So you don't know Raskina is here.
Yeah, man.
And him man a turn up when he comes onto the chefings, you understand?
Yes,
he have been
man.
too impressed them are going to lock off the kitchen the right way. Man
Really?
said the baddest chicken, the baddest soup.
Yeah.
What is it have?
Eh?
Soup, chicken and
Yeah,
bread
man.
and festival it a
Yeah.
going.
Yes, man.
We are sharing with? Festival and bread?
Bread and festival.
Bread and
them.
festival?
Yes, man.
Lively now, man.
Yeah,
so which
man.
artist you want to see tonight?
Who's artist?
Yeah.
Jesus Christ. You know, say, one world boss.
Where's the real boss?
World boss.
Gaza.
World boss.
Cheese
Gaza,
and
man.
face, massive on the earphone yourself
man.
from DJ. Yeah, there is also DJ Kino,
Kino,
but
yeah,
the rest
man.
Kino.
Yeah, man. Said thing, man. DJ said we.
That's
Big
a
up the
cool.
general. One general said we. Bounty killer. Hear that? One general.
Yeah, we can't big up Gaza and big up Bounty.
Bounty killer. Yeah, man. Father and son, man.
That is it.
And big up the brother too. Father and son and brother. One goal side. That's how things.
Wanna hear it?
Yeah,
They don't know
man.
Raskino.
Love, man, from the Sunfest, man. Sunfest
good.
is a bomb tonight.
That is
Bomb
it.
tonight.
And we have to big up Joe. No,
Yeah,
Joe.
man.
Yeah, big up Carla too. Man,
Yeah.
let's
Big
come
up-
on. Yo.
Big
Let
up
me go, because
Scatter.
Trust me.
Big up my friend Scatter.
Easy.
Scatter. One bar Scatter.
Kino, I'm going now, man, because trust me. Rating star. All right, so let me tell you, you don't know me actually stand up right at the iron there, the pretty venue, the pretty car, they're right behind me. But let me tell you, so listen what's happening now. So first, when you're forward inside of the venue, you have to make sure you have your tickets out. You see me I say? So far, I reach early, so it's just like a little bit after 7 or maybe to 8 and now. Don't quote me on that, I don't really get the time right. But yeah, because me out the road I go on whole heap of talking. So when you're forward inside, they don't know you have the VIP, the center VIP. You have the fast lane. The fast lane, what we learn is actually for the Scotiabank people and for media personnel and stuff like that. But all the top of the lanes for you to walk are labeled. So you just, based on the ticket that you have, you just jump in at the lane where you have, right? After you go through there, somebody will check your ticket, and then after you check your ticket, you're gonna be placed with your band. You put on your band like this, and then afterwards, it's time for you to be searched. They're gonna search your bag, your purse. They're gonna search you yourself if you have anything offensive upon you or anything like that before you can get inside of the venue. So far, massive, we're inside of the venue, and so far it is crazy. So many people are here. Let's take a look. So right now we're just there, the Iron there, booth, and trust me, we're there with a general. What's the man name?
Chiffy there from Magic Touch Events with the fabulous Glambat representing for Iron today.
Yeah, mad. So basically the man have one of them robot army to do some robot things. That's all I can tell you at Reggae Sumfest. So it's not about just the show, but it's a lot of things going on. A lot of sponsors are here to showcase them brand, them car, everything. And this guy just one of them representing for Hyundai with theme different brand working with Hyundai tonight. And you don't know which part them can find it right now on all media.
On Instagram at Magic Touch Events. Yeah. just
Magic
Instagram,
Touch.
Magic Touch Events.
Magic
Yeah.
Touch events.
Yeah.
Yes, so then book you by just sending a DM or what?
DM or the telephone number is on there as well.
Martin, when we call her, you are going to get?
No, not me.
I know you.
No, the representative is gonna answer.
Alright, that's a code. They don't know,
Alright.
big up and every respect my teacher. We're outside and bless and respect it tonight, that's it. So, let me ask you before I cut, which artist you anticipate to see?
No Cartel.
Man, say straight Cartel without even think about it. We say Gaza.
Gaza.
You hear that without a H? Gaza, man, say no joke. You don't know, we're there at Magic Touch events.
Yeah.
Figure that. So far, let me take a moment actually right now to big up all of the booths them when we see right now when it comes down to corporate. I'm going to tell you about, I see right over there, Elite. You understand? CS. They don't know Elite Concept and Solution. They don't know Reggae Sumfest booth is right there. Also, we have ILO in the house. Also, big up the Red Stripe. Yeah, no joke, no. Let me see who is over here. Let me see Magnum. No joke, Magnum is here. As always, Magnum always support these events. Street Vibes. I also see Scotia over there. Massive, trust me. It is rampacked with corporate companies. I also see Flu over there. I say, what's over there? Jamaica, what that? Jamaica catch a wire over there, so. Look, we see who over there, so too. We see Enjoy Jamaica. Also Street Vibes. No joke. So massive, the booths are all around. Oh my word. So let me tell you this straight. It's early. The show not started yet. The selector them just go and juggle a little bit and people are forwarding in them number. I can tell you this pretty soon, none of them places are left. People are gonna full up. No joke, no doubt. So far, it's going good and woo! We can't wait to catch the show. We see who are gonna start off the show and see what's gonna happen for tonight. So just stay tuned, keep watching, and we're gonna show all of what's happening. So massive, listen. Vybz Kartel perform, Masicka perform, Camille, Spice, tons of artists. Tonight is gonna be amazing. Let's go now, man. Get your red stripe, get your beer, and keep watching. We just a start. Alright, massive, so listen to me. I show you the food, I show you the G them on the outside of the venue, but now with the inside of the venue. So massive, we're over the food court. So look below the Scotia Bank right there, so yeah, you find the food court. And massive, let me tell you this, food get luring at the venue, no joke, no doubt. So first off, you have Yassa Boil, then you have food, snacks and pastry, and also you have Nelsie and natural herbs and supplement right there, so also you have Nikidi, seafood, Niamins. We can't go wrong with the Niamins. From here, the Niamins, I must have a big chef over there. So. And then right over here, so now we have Vizio. So it's Vizio Eats. And we will see if we can talk to a few of them, see what them sell, see what go on, and kickstart the ball in the food court, because guess what? The show not start yet and we're waiting for the show to start. So I could go and chat to the people them. Massive, I'm hungry now, so you don't know me all about the food already. That's why I'm reaching for the food court. So I could do it now, man. So massive, the first person I actually try to talk to over the food court section is Vizio Eats. So I'm there with that nice, beautiful sister here. Oh my word. Massive, it's not my word, so I don't want another comment and I say, the nice lady from Vizio Eats, you can't give me a number or Instagram. Listen to me, listen to me. So, right now, for Vizio Eats, what is Vizio Eats?
Vizio Eats is an online ordering platform, a visual online ordering platform. So, browse the menu visually order on it, save basically save time and order online. You hear me stuttering over here?
So me thank you.
Simple things, man.
And I'm on the show, I'm in the top buffer sometime. Lord God, MG.
We're over here making it easy for you to basically order food. So you just browse the menu, experience the menu visually, order, add to cart, check out. Simple.
So over the venue, so
yeah,
you bring it to somebody inside of the venue?
Yeah, man. So we have a few restaurants on the platform right now. We can't name all of them, but there are restaurants on the platform. Once you download the Vybz Eat app, you will see the Reggae Sumfest icon. Click on the icon and you have access to all the restaurants that are at the venue right now.
All right, so let me ask you a question. Other than Reggae Sumfest, the app still work?
Of course.
Okay.
Right, true.
Because more time I get lazy in my belly get the best of me, you know.
Right, true.
And I can't bother. Sometimes all the vehicle there, I look on the car like no, so I can't bother driving.
Man. So guess what? You can order for pickup, get delivery, and make reservations online as well.
All right, Montego. So next question. I just Montego here?
No.
Which part?
Kingston, St. Catherine, Clarendon.
Kingston.
Portland.
Mandeville.
St. Elizabeth.
You know you're Clarendon?
Right. Of course, Clarendon is
you
there.
don't know.
Yes.
Figure that. So massive Vybz Eats are the way to go right now. Massive if you feel lazy. If you don't want to get up off that beautiful couch, we know you work hard. We know so you have to rest. And you can't bother. You can't bother to go cook. You have to call Vybz Eats. Call Vybz Eats.
Order online, save time. Trust.
Yeah, the slogan. Order online, save time. Trust.
Vybz Eats.
Martin, we like her. So it's on Instagram. Go from your iPhone, you go in your app store, any one of them and download
so it's
the app.
available on Google Play Store and App Store. And if you don't want to download the app, it's completely fine. Type webmenu.vybzeats.com and you have access to all the restaurants on our platform. Easy cheesy.
Easy cheesy, yeah? You heard? You get that? Vybz Eats, the way to go. Massive, no joke. Beautiful people have beautiful business, not true?
Of course.
That's a code now, man. Yeah, massive. So I promise I'm going to talk to a few of the persons them over here in the food court. And right now we are at Nelsia. And we have a person here, so we're going to talk to her. A nice little blue ear lady. And I tell her, say, she's beautiful. Listen, look how she's sweet.
Oh, thank you
so
much. Right around the corner.
Right around the corner. Oh, that when I hear a lady say that, that means that they live with them spouse for a period of time. And anytime now, we can go down for their need. That's what she means. All right, so nobody asks me for nothing else. All right, so what's your name?
My name is Patrice, also known as Alicia, by the way, so it depends on the day.
Oh, so today, you have two of them?
Yeah, two of them.
So we just work with,
yeah.
Which one is specific one we work with today? Patrice. So we are here with the beautiful Patrice over here at Nelsia. You understand? So tell me, for the person who don't know what Nelsia is about, what's Nelsia is about?
Nelsia is all about wellness. Pretty much anything that, any underlying condition, any issues in the tissues that you may have, you definitely want to check out Nelsia's website. Now it's www.weightandwellness.com. So you also, I'm going to make sure, listen, first and foremost, you're the
website.
Oh, Canameds, but step on up now. Canameds.com, definitely go on, but also Nelsia has different wellness herbs. A lot of the herbs are pretty much holistic, so for instance, if you have any underlying conditions like, there you go.
Yeah.
All the information, ladies.
Yeah. Also the Instagram, so what's the name of the Instagram? Nelsia is natural herbs on Instagram. So Matty, what she's saying, I don't know me love exaggerate and just make you understand right off the bat. So them deal with natural products. Everything authentic, natural, herbal, you can get it. Right now I'm looking at this blue thing here. What is this?
Everything we have natural herbs, parasite, everything.
But what you know, you don't realize this. She tell me everything and then I tell you with it. Can you believe this? She tell me everything, you know, and then I tell with it. You understand? So for parasite, anything in the body you want to purge out yourself, you have to go link up Nelsia natural herbs and supplements. For Instagram, we just go to Instagram name. Massive lovely people have lovely business and they're here at Sunfest 2025. I give you the real good product them. This showcase one nice beautiful girl here, so I wait. So I'm going to speed it up because she probably want to buy. Although she probably like how me attack, me probably funny her. Why? She probably like the energy, right? You back me up now, my brother, yeah. So, you don't know. So, big up to Nelsia. Every time we're out here, Reggae Sumfest, link them up on their website, their Instagram page as well, and get the thing done. Clean out the body, clean out the parasite them, clean up the belly fat, get rid of all I sit them enough in there. You have to link up Nelsia, no joke, no doubt. Reggae Sumfest 2025, we're outside. Yeah, massive. So right now we're still over the food court, and there you have it from Nesia. But before me leave from which at Nesia, there is one general. We say, yo, walk by, are you that? Yo, the voice me hearing that, me I say, yo, the man sound just like going up on the show. Yo, watch good now, man. So one of me G, all the way from what part
Montreal, Canada.
Canada.
We up in Quebec, Montreal, follow by Sampolo.
So me I walk in Jamaica and people are watching me. We are Canada. I say, bro.
You think heavy over there, man?
Yeah,
you
man,
think heavy over there? Walking TV.
Jesus, man.
Them glow, them stick fire there. In Montreal, are your place? You need to forward up there. Some more time here, you say you go down Brompton and Toronto here, you big up them place.
I'm in the top of Montreal.
Montreal is a French part of Canada, you know. So Montreal, Quebec, so they French, parle français. And English, but we have a huge
Jamaican
community there. Ethnic community there.
Yo, when you see how we are talking and all, no, I'm not asking my name. My name again, G.
Full about Sampalo, Montreal, Body's DJ.
But just never say what the name they sound like one artist.
Big bad artist.
No man, you have to drop piece out that man right now, man. Give me one little piece.
Yeah. None of them no bad like we. None of them no bad like we. None at all. None of them no rough like we. None of them no tough like we. Hey Montreal, ready now if we take back the road. Ready now if we take back the road. Cause walking TV, Lord. We lyrically, Lord. Ready now if we take back the street. Summertime, Sampalo left the place in a heat. Montreal, wake up, can no more going and sleep. Want to brand new rhythm, make we hear a fire tea. Bang, 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 bang. Montreal will play.
They come like the artists, them just follow Jamaica walk by. Me say, yo, streets are live.
Walk by, 2025, Reggae Sumfest. Montreal, Montreal, place.
We're the forward in just Reggae Sumfest.
Just come in for the crowning at the bar.
We say have to see it.
How you mean we have to witness the crowning at the one bar?
Yo, before me we talk about Kartel, because Kartel did it in the whole of the have to see him. So we are talking about you know, which one we can find your music?
Follow Vybz Sampalo on YouTube, follow Vybz Sampalo on TikTok, follow Vybz Sampalo.
Spelling.
Sampalo.
That is it.
Follow Vybz Sampalo. 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 Follow Vybz Sampalo on all social media. TikTok, YouTube. Follow Vybz Sampalo.
Sampalo. Montreal, Canada.
Yes, sir.
Big up
yes,
my respect. I don't know, continue to watch the channel.
Yeah.
Keep on supporting. But you can't come off a TV screen. And you not big up your people them on your place, you know. So do it now, no, man.
All of the people from Montreal, all of my artists, them. Young Zentele, you don't know. King Me, Mikey Dangerous, you don't know. Fire Top, oh God, man. Holy for artists, you don't know anything set. Hey, you remember, you know, no tune in, Walk by TV, original TV. I follow Vybz Sampalo said that. Put the chanter.
Bang, 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 bang,
bang, bang, bang.
Massive, we're staying here at Reggae Sumfest. The show not start yet. So as soon as the show start, buckle your seatbelt, buckle your plain suit, everything, because we are go, shoo! What the man say? What can't tell what I say? I want this under my nose.
I'm out.
I'm out.
Holy.
Stay tuned, we don't know yet. So yes, Massive, still festive over here in the food court as I run into this beautiful empress. Oh my word, she come right way out. You understand? So she is not Jamaican. So I am going to try my best to speak as properly as I can, which me can do. So I'm going to try. What's your name?
Clara.
Clara?
Clara, yeah.
Clara?
Yeah.
All right, so we're here with Clara. Where are you from?
I'm from a French island close to South Africa, Madagascar. The name is Réunion.
That is it. That is it. All right. So, what get you in Jamaica? Why are you here? Why are you in Jamaica?
Because it's my holiday. I study, and I want to go back to my African roots.
Wow.
So I want to meet some Jamaican people for the cultures, and yeah, that's it. Because I don't smoke. I just want to meet people with some cultures, Rasta cultures and African cultures.
Oh yeah, so do you record it? Like vlog, like what I'm doing? Do you vlog or you record it?
Oh no, just for my family and my friend.
Oh.
I make some video just for...
Just for you?
Yeah.
All right, so you are here all the way. What's the country name again?
Reunion.
It's the first I'm hearing of that country. I have no idea what she's talking. What language do you speak?
This is for my Reunion people.
Yeah. What language do you speak?
French.
French?
Yeah.
Tell me something about me in French.
Tu es très sympa.
All of my French people, them tell me what she just said. What did you say?
I said you're very sympathetic, friendly.
Oh, okay, all right. Yeah, we can go with that, for real. So, what are you having over here in the food court? What are you looking for? What are you craving?
I was looking for a cookie, but I just discovered that the cookie had ganja inside.
Oh!
And I don't smoke, so I'm like, no, I don't want to eat a cookie with ganja.
I got what you're saying. Me neither. I don't smoke or I don't drink.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Yeah, no, so that not gonna work for me.
Yeah.
Secret though, if I drink a red stripe, I'm drunk.
Yeah, okay.
A red stripe. Can you drink a red stripe?
No.
You can't drink a red stripe?
No.
You won't get drunk though?
Yeah.
So, question, is this your real hair?
What?
Your hair. Is this your real hair?
No, not my real.
It looks so real.
Really?
Yes, of course.
Okay, thank you. That's not my real hair.
For you being in Jamaica, do you feel safe?
Oh yeah, a lot. That's everybody told me that it's a dangerous country, but it's like 2 weeks ago I'm here and I feel very secure.
All right.
More than in other countries.
You feel great.
Yeah.
And do you as a visitor, you feel like the tourist street, you're different.
Yeah.
Like they'll be like, oh hey, do you want some help? They're like overly friendly, am I right?
Yeah, that's true.
That's true. So are you in the Montego Bay side or Kingston? Have you visited, which side are you in?
Yeah, I'm in Kingston currently. Like I was 2 weeks in Kingston and now I'm in Montego Bay for 5 days.
5 days.
Like that. Yeah.
You're going back to Kingston?
Yeah, after.
Oh, okay, mad.
But
so,
my favorite city is Negril.
Negril, I was just going to ask you that. So since you're in Jamaica, you've been to Negril, you've been to Montego Bay, you've been to Kingston, but your favorite is Negril.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, me love Negril to tell you the truth. No joke. I hear you come say it as a Christian, as a tourist. So you walk the 7 Mile Beach?
No, I was just at the recovery and
oh, come on, you need to walk the 7 Miles Beach.
Yeah,
7 miles of beach, right?
Everybody told me that.
So
I will.
What about the sun?
Yeah, that's crazy.
Sun hot?
Yeah.
Very hot?
Yeah. I had some
sunburn.
Yeah.
You gotta get your sunscreen.
Yeah, all of the face. Yeah.
All right, so you're at Reggae Sumfest 2025, right?
Yeah.
Which artist you want to see perform?
Vybz Kartel!
Let me ask you, what do you know about Vybz Kartel? Like, Vybz Kartel is actually playing where you're from?
Yeah, of course. Yeah, we know Vybz Kartel. That's a famous artist.
What about Movado?
I don't know.
You don't know Movado?
No.
You know Alkaline?
No.
You don't know Alkaline?
I don't know all artists.
Do you know Spice?
No.
Don't know Spice?
No.
All right, so, but Vybz Kartel, you know?
Yeah!
Sing one of your favorite Vybz Kartel. When I say, fever, why you like wine for me, baby, everything is on. So, Masicka, don't know, it's a vibe here at Reggae Sumfest, and I want you to tell them your experience of our Reggae Sumfest. Like
it's very cool. It's a lot of food truck and a lot of people who are fashion, clothes.
Yeah.
Very cool. Yeah.
Very cool.
Good song. Just cool vibe.
So you hear from ourselves. So big up our respect. You wanna shout out your Instagram or your anything, any one of your platform?
Oh.
What's your Instagram?
No, just for my Creole people. Just for La Réunion de là.
That's good. We're still there, show still not start yet. So we just go all a vibe and show exactly what's going on at Reggae Sumfest. So there you have it. What's the name of the country again?
Reunion Island.
Reunion Island.
Yeah, exactly.
I think my way outside.
Yes,
Yes, so it's all about the food court. Same way, we still love the food court and I don't want to miss anybody. So also, in the food court, we have Trucks and Records. We also have Sunshine Restaurant. We also have Ermine's Home Style. And we have Roti King also inside of the food court. And also Alessandro's Catering. And they have little pizzas. everybody here inside of the food court massive, and it is going good. So you can't hungry. You cannot hungry. So from your part in that venue, you pay a ticket, everything, and you're reaching here, you're hungry, forward and get your food and thing, because Sunfest have it all when it comes down to food. The food court is a 10 out of 10. A time for me to get something to eat. So a lot of times when I do videos like this, persons always ask me, you don't show the rest area. Massive. This rest area at Sunfest is massive. And I'm telling you, loads and loads of area for you to relieve yourself, massive. So you have a big sign. If you're at the food court, it is at the end of the food court. You will find the restroom area, which you can get to relieve yourself. And trust me, our persons working right around the clock to make sure these restrooms are properly clean and you don't know, ready again for use after each and every person. Can you believe that? Trust me, I tried it myself and I'm telling you from experience. And inside of them are super clean. So if you're at the venue like this, trust me, restroom, number one, no joke, no doubt. Let's go. So show still not started yet, and we're gonna see what else is there in the venue. So let's go. Yeah, massive. So me stand up right at Miss Ermine's home style. You understand? And when me hear home style, you know, me I think about natural juice, food punch, bedroom bully, guava juice, lemonade, sugar water. Them things that me I look for, you know. I say, yeah, yes, I want to get the real refresher. The show not start yet, and Miss Ermine's hotel me say, the drinks them done. And we you putting on it? So, the show not started and the juice them done. I'll tell me say, I only ready make juice. Them have that now go work. So I tell me say, just water and other products you got. Sell me one water there, please. Room temperature. You have no room temperature one when it's so cold. Oh gosh, Miss Ermine's. The show not started and your juice done? Me not understand. Oats, beetroot, anything with oats a bedroom bully, you know. And beetroot, these and see there, all me I get right now is water. You understand? Big up to water. So, Miss Ermine's, which one we can find the business? Which one we can find the business? Only Sunfest a year time? So you know do catering and them thing, you know sell them or something, you know where? Oh, jeez, unfortunately, we not going to get none of Miss Ermine's things. I mean, after the Reggae Sumfest, but so far, me get a water and I go just work with it. Miss Ermine's, big up and respect all over your husband that run us up. Are you my name?
Daddy Shark.
What name?
Daddy Shark. Daddy Shark.
Daddy Shark?
Daddy Shark.
Daddy Shark? Jesus, please, we ought to see you find him. Lord Jesus, big up Daddy Shark. Out of respect, you hear that? No joke, not going good. Show not started and the juice them done. Blessings and respect, you hear that? So, oats juice and pumpkin juice. And beetroot. That me the want, you know. Cucumber juice with ginger. Oh my word, yeah. You have it locked here. Heart, love and respect. So, massive blessings. We still have a food court and we are going to shoot go to a show and go see what go on. Because currently show not start yet, so we still have a food court and go and feed the face. Mad thing, man, let's do this. So while I'm going to lock off the tape now and say I'm going to run for you, so and pay for my water. And Miss Ermine say, listen me, walk by you can't have the water. She said, walk by you can't have the water, you know, you don't have to bother pay for you. Drink the water and God bless you. Look on God now, man. One Jamaica walk by, man. No joke. You understand? You see, it is so nice to be on the other end of the receiver. You understand? I love the teacher. Touch me. Easy now, man. Yes, man. Miss Ermine say you can have the water. Reggae Sumfest. Every year, check out number 8, right? Miss Ermine's home style. No joke, no doubt. Reggae Sumfest. Good water upon the video. You see me? Look on God now, man. Big up to Shark. You don't know Mr. Shark. Yeah. Reggae Sumfest is off to a great start. But feel good. Watch me and blush now, man. So yes, massive. So we are head out of the food court right about now, and you don't know the show is about to start. I'm gonna go and drink my water when I get from Miss Ermine's home style. Big up Miss Ermine's home style over here at number 8. You see me I say, yeah man. I got your cure. Done. Look on the venue. The venue pack up here now. Trouble. Let's go. Yeah, massive. So I'm stepping at the VIP area. You don't know. I have a VIP band, so I'm going to check out all of the happenings right now over the VIP section. Massive, the show not started. You understand? So right now, everybody I get them gear together. Everybody I just get it right. So we just follow through the VIP area, forwarding at the venue. And the first stop, as me reach in here, one pretty girl show me, I say, yo, you don't want a Magnum? You don't want something, only $1,000. Look on the dollar here. G's and P's, look on the dollar here. Yo, big up to all of the Magnum people. Them, you understand me? I tell her, I say, me no drink. You understand? Me no drink nothing at all. You understand? Me tell her, I say, yo, when it comes out to drink, me soft, ear and ball out. And that I should have video. And that I say.
And that I should have video, you must know what's soft.
So, me tell her, I say, don't know, so everything good. You see me? I say, so you're here with Magnum, and how is the vibe so far here at Reggae Sumfest?
The vibe so far is good because the people are coming in and we are sell 2 Magnum $1,000 and 6 for $3,000. And people are buying Magnum, they might take charge tonight in a Reggae Sumfest.
G's and P's. So everybody I get charged up tonight. Reggae Sumfest, ready?
Yeah, ready like Freddy.
Alright, so let me ask you something. So you drink Magnum, you represent for Magnum.
Yeah.
Why your perfect blend with a Magnum if you want extra charge, because remember the Magnum charge you by itself, you know. So
Magnum and Dragon.
Where's the Magnum and Dragon?
Yeah, mixed together. Perfect mixture.
Perfect. That's a way you get him we go run the road.
Run it if you want to run it.
That is
Magnum and Dragon.
Magnum. So right now she represent for Magnum straight. Magnum, anyone of them, big up and respect, no joke. Right now, Reggae Sumfest, 1 Magnum $1,000 and 3 for how much?
No, at 2 for $1,000 and 6 for $3,000.
Hold on there, wait. Wheel come again. So you said 2 for $1,000?
And 6 for $3,000.
2 for $1,000 and 6 for $3,000? I hear what, I don't really drink, you know, no, I have to go buy some and carry home and put in the fridge.
Put in the fridge for later on.
And for me, you know, when the guests them come over, then can get if you go.
All that too, do what they want to do. Take charge.
Take charge. Hey, Magnum, make sure you give you extra pay for that. Remember me, I tell you now. So, it is Reggae Sumfest. And the first time for you here?
No, it's not the first time. I came here last year. I was at the VVIP.
VVIP?
Yeah.
And let me ask you, you're at Reggae Sumfest, even though you're representing for Magnum, but the artist you want to see tonight, this is personal. Your artist you want to see tonight, who is that artist?
Skeng and Vybz Kartel.
Skeng and Vybz Kartel?
Yes.
Wait, so you've been there front time, see if Skeng wake you up.
Yes.
Anytime Skeng a perform, I don't know what's in front. Listen.
No one at the front. His vibes, his energy is amazing. Top tier. And Vybz Kartel there, you know, everybody wants the Vybz Kartel. A peer problem tonight.
Cheese and peace. Where you say Gaza?
Gaza forever. One Skeng badness.
Now I'm going to ask you now, I see how much you know Vybz Kartel. See, look good. If Vybz Kartel are close the video right now, where would I say?
What is under my nose? I'm out.
Ah, my thing, I'm out. So yeah, massive, we're still over the VIP area, massive. The show just go and boots up, the selector go and play some tune, and trust me, look what we have here now. This is super unique. You understand? The light, the presentation, everything just catch me. They're telling me that they're representing for Red Bull, right?
Yes, we're representing for Red Bull.
That is it. So right about now, me see how Red Bull like, me never recognize it. What are the flavors there, Red Bull? Can me see the blue one, a light blue one, and tropical? That's one flavor right now.
Just one flavor for now. Just one flavor for now.
Tropical?
Yeah, tropical.
Mad. So let me ask you, how much your buckler, how much your tin Red Bull?
800. Come and get your Red Bull, guys.
We got a, no discount? No special?
No discount, no special. I already get discount.
$800 one.
So.
Yeah, that's all right now. $800 one for your Red Bull. Ghana lead. Let me ask you, since you're not rare, see? Which artist under the opposite tonight?
Kartel, of course. Who else? World Boss.
Alright, what about you?
What she said?
Gaza.
Kartel, yeah.
Yeah, Gaza we say.
I want to tell you
the word bad.
Man! Oh yes, massive. So we're still at the VIP lounge. We just are going chill, we just are going back. I just everything I want. It's early settings. You don't know, select them, I go and beat some juice. But as a found in the VIP section, you book up on Red Stripe. You know what I mean? And when you talk about Red Stripe, you know, it's another dibby thing. So we're there with that general. You don't know, say, the man we are preach, we drink responsibly. What the man name?
Believe, man, Akeem Smith, man.
You don't know, we're there with Akeem. Akeem and the whole crew are lock off the Red Stripe era tonight. So Akeem, let me tell you, what go on over Red Stripe tonight when they forward to Reggae Sumfest?
Alright, as you can see, we have some nice ladies here endorsing our brand just the same, you know, and we have some nice flavors in terms of Red Stripe itself. So we're endorsing the mango flavor this time around, along with other assorted flavors like lemon, sorrel, you know, you have the rum stripe, you know, you have other nice melon flavors, you know, we have the bucket deal, you know, so we're just endorsing those in regards to tonight.
Man, so right now, let me ask you, we don't say don't drink for the work still, we don't see our drink still, you know. But if you should recommend to a man like me when I drink and say, yo bro, this stuff you try, what would that be the drink, the go-to drink right now? Remember, I don't want nothing too tough, I don't want clean over. So, I can't take liquor, so tell me what you would suggest, say, walk by, drink this.
Yeah man, someone would suggest the rum stripe.
Yeah.
It's calm, it's easy, you know, it's not too fussy, it's a nice vibe type of juice, or our flavored mango beer that we're endorsing. So it give you a fruitiful, nice vibes, and you could just have a nice time for Sunfest, you know what I'm saying?
Man.
Safe travel, drive safe.
So look you know, Sunfest. So for instance, Sunfest, people are looking for a deal, let me know. No deal over here tonight.
Yeah man, as we say, we have the bucket deal.
Yeah.
So 3,500, you get 6 flavored beer based on the flavors that we have, sour lemon, or 6 light beer for 3,500, the bucket deal. Cheap man. So come along and I promise you'll be okay with the nice ladies we have on the front here, you know?
Jaja no. So massive, trust me, the representative from Red Stripe, what the man name again? Akeem. So you don't know, Akeem, I go and lock it up from the day I go and watch how I go and everybody just a move, everybody just a bounce around. A while ago, you know, one time I talked to somebody, I said, what the representative me can talk to? See, as the person said, that brother there, I look around the man like busy, I said, but blouse and skirt, no come I go get to talk to him again the way I move. But I go to boom and shout him up, he was ready for talk. So the special, we have the rum stripe, many persons overseas don't know the red stripe. And what do you have some guests have come from America, you know, bro? And them just come out and say, yeah man, they want the original red stripe. But I say, look at them man, try the rum stripe. And Fresh, you try the rum stripe, bro. There's no going back.
No going back. Flavorful, nice, mellow, easy. You know what I mean? Drinking responsibly, Red Stripe.
Straight.
Believe.
That is it. So you don't know, Akeem big up every time, you know. Respect, no joke. So Red Stripe big up every time. The flavor is just out of this world. Mad thing, man. Reggae Sumfest 2025, it is crazy. As Akeem said, Wally ladies out there ready for show you what I want, calm you down, serve you. Trust me. A real talk. Alright, so, you know, I'm fully out of the VIP era now and I'm at the other food court massive. So, there are actually more than one food court. I didn't even realize that. So, over here you actually have another food court. And so far, may I say yours choice, may I say roast house, and we can't make out that one because it's signed cover it. But we also have Drizzy Kitchen, and we also have Taco Spot Limited. No joke, trust me massive. Food galore at the venue, you can't hungry. So I just hope say with all of them food here, everybody can get something to eat tonight. A Reggae Sumfest, so them probably come out with ample food. No joke, trust me. I'm going to check out if we can talk to a few persons who own some of these restaurants. Show not start yet, so you don't know. We are going all a vibe. Yeah, massive. So you don't know me as a foodie. So listen, I have to stop right as well. I see one restaurant named Your Choice. And from here, Your Choice, I have to stop there. You understand? Because from a smelly scent, just I kick up my nose, I have to stop. So right now, I'm there with the gentleman, the real big man. Him tall like Bolt. You know what I mean? No other than Mr. Nicholas, you know what I mean? The general will look after the answer right now. Mr. Nicholas. You understand? Me always say a big general, but I make sure I address him by name. Mr. Nicholas. I don't know why I flavor, you know. But first, I'm going to ask you, what the first season, your go-to season, where you use when you want to deal with your flavor?
Boy, I can't really talk that one up on the line, but Mr. Walker's Hood, man, you know. Yeah. When it comes to jerk, lone Walker's Hood, I say. Nothing else, no Maggi, no powder season, just straight Walker's Hood. Can't beat that one, all natural. all the way.
Massive, you know why me asking the question there first? By me I walk past. The scent we are forward, the scent we are forward from the man shop, brother. You have to turn back. You understand? So right now, Mr. Nicholas, how long you been doing this?
About 10 years. Really and truly, yeah man. Nah, exaggerate. I love food. I'm a friend of mine as a pressure me to start something and that push me. You see me? Friend them say go and do it. And right now, I'm there so. I'm there Sunfest from 2018 and still there.
From 2018 you work Sunfest?
2018 I work Sunfest and still there see me. Your choice, one choice, the people's choice, all the way.
That's a code.
Yeah man, right away.
So right now, let me ask you the next question. The name, your choice. Tell me how that name they forward.
Because really and truly, me I give the people what them want. Yeah, I know where you can't come here and me go tell you say you not get that, you not get this. You tell me what you want and you will get it. That's why I'm putting the name your choice. You the customer make a choice what you want.
Me love the name. Me not telling a lie. Self-explanatory.
Right away. The people's choice. Always remember that. Right.
That is it. So, Mr. Nicholas, which are the man forward from?
Right now, Mr. Kingstonian, my brother.
Kingstonian?
Kingstonian. Right now, the heart of Crossroad.
Madam Bad. So, you have a location where persons want them food which we can reach right now?
Right now, no. Just loan events.
Oh, loan events?
Yeah. You can find me at the CCY in a concert 1st of August. East Kings House Lawn. And then again, CB Pan Chicken Finals. 1 Pananak, you know?
1 Pananak, you hear that?
August 31st, 1 Pananak. There. In the finals. I run for the million, you see me?
Listen, 1 million, Mr. Nicholas, yo. You send to me a smell we are found from the man restaurant, you know. We need to say, no?
Yeah.
I'm not joking, you know. I don't know other chef them, you know, but we need to say, no?
Right, that's so. 1 Pananak. $1 million. Wait.
$1 million.
Wait.
Wait.
Yeah, man.
No joke, no. So the man there Sunfest every single year. You don't know your choice because it's your choice. You understand? Mr. Nicholas, yes, so far me looking at the grill. If you go, I know it's my choice, see? Yeah. But me is a fry man. You understand? So, I want something light and steady. When me could have take right now out of the restaurant and me don't know say, me can circle the ends back because me don't want to feel too heavy.
Right now?
Yeah.
Some fried wings, fried bami. You can't lose half of your bami. It's a must.
Milk and them things that's
No milk.
Tell me how you do your own.
No, I can't tell you that one.
Yo, the man not giving no secret. So we say some fried wings and some bami.
And some bami. I can't tell you a secret though.
How the prices them see tonight?
Very affordable. $2,000, 2 bills to your bami. Can't lose.
May I get discount?
Right away.
Yeah, that massive discount straight. So right now we're going to try to get some wings and some bami. I was going to second myself and go easy. You don't know your choice because it's your choice. You understand? Mr. Nicholas. Nicholas Reed.
Right there, sir. Our Chef Talman, you see me?
Yo, in Thailand, Fred, you believe that? I had a real big man, you know, Chef Talman. Big up and respect. Thank you for talking to me. Art I love every time. You hear that, bro?
Up there.
But before I go, you have to big up somebody, you know.
Really and truly, all of my friends have supported me over the years. I remember the right here, so right now. You see me? Good support, remember the right here, so right now. Good motivation from the people them who they back on me. Strong.
That is it. Really out, Mr. Nicholas. Blessings and respect. You're there Sunfest, you know. So may I ask you, which artist you want to see tonight?
Jano Star. That one the rough. But I don't know if that's that one, I swear.
The man not set up himself, bro. Man not set no Gaza, man not set no genocide, no. But guess what? I want it under your nose.
I'm out.
Alright, so you know, say it's all about the segment where we're going to talk to some beautiful ladies and finding out what encourages the outfit, you know what I mean, which artists them want to see and the whole works. Right now I'm standing right at your choice, you understand? No joke, no doubt. With a beautiful sister, you know what I mean, she come right out massive. Listen to me, you have to see for yourself. Look good. What's your name? Keisha?
Yes.
Oh my word. So Keisha, you're the Reggae Sumfest. You give me a nice little talk. How far you come from?
Yes.
Which part of foreign you from?
New York.
New York?
Yeah.
No joke. Mount Vernon?
No.
No, Mount Vernon.
No, the Bronx.
Oh, Bronx?
Yes.
All right, no joke. So what inspired the outfit? What bring the look like this for Sunfest? Can you come out?
I just want to be comfortable, that's all.
Just comfortable?
That's all, yes.
No joke. So which artist you really want to see tonight at Sunfest?
Masicka and Vybz.
Masicka, where you say? Masicka, yo. So and Vybz Kartel?
Yes.
No joke. So watch her now. She want make sure that she hear man I live fiesta. Out harder. One Montego, out a brother. Hey. Straight. So no joke, no doubt. What's your Instagram? You mind giving out your Instagram?
Yes, it's just Keish _.
Just Keish _.
That's it. Yep. Nice and simple.
Nice and simple.
Yes.
Just like your outfit.
Outfit not simple.
Cheese and peace, man. Listen to me. And the outfit at the body.
Yes, there it goes. The body make the outfit.
Yeah, the body make the outfit. Because you can go in at the camera light and say, do this and beat me now. Them can go find it for anywhere you buy it, you know. But guess what? Do it and beat you know.
No, I don't know what you said. Do it and what?
Yeah, do it and beat you. Yeah, wear the same clothes and beat you.
Oh, no, never.
Never. That be a talk about. So when you walk in that video like that, just look for a girl and say, yo, do this and beat me now.
Do this and beat me now.
Yeah, no joke, no doubt. Big up yourself. Thank you for speaking with me and be safe, all right? Hello. That's cool. All right, massive. So it's almost showtime. As you hear behind me, Jade is on the stage, gearing up to start the show. And I'm telling you, oh, what a beautiful pre-show. I tell you, massive. So it is showtime, and we are gonna go right into the show. And let's see who is the first performer tonight here at Reggae Sumfest 2025, massive. Are you ready? Because trust me, the place full up here now, whole heap of people there, whole heap of people feed them face, and we are ready for show time. You don't know, Masicka, Vybz Kartel, Spice, Tammy Lee, whole heap of artists, massive, and we're ready. Reggae Sumfest 2025, and we have to a great start. So stay tuned. I'm on thing. Let's go. Who is the first performer? Let's find out. Every single week, Jamaica walk by. Tell me somewhere you like the performance on it. Like the last one with the Shaneil. Many people don't know that Jamaica have them some lyrics. It's like a different Jamaican. That's typical. What is the name again? Rally.
I don't really care about the end design.
Just rally.
Rally. Big up every time I'm watching the channel. I appreciate your
whatever you do, don't stop.
Don't stop.
Because guess what? All the people learn what things.
That's a good one. Yo, I never asked you something else. Look, you're near Jamaica. You're real Jamaica.
God, man.
Which part you about?
Kingston.
Yeah. That is it. All right. So you're real Jamaica. Are you near something? All right. Which artist you really want to see while you're there?
I want to see, but let's stay at the place and want to know, say, guess what? Everything's a good look. No matter who is it.
I want to see all the hard working people inside catching out. Give me some signal again.
That is it. Me see all the rep, the Jamaican colors and
Yes,
man. Me come out in a shot.
Let me give him the swag.
I'm tourist.
Let me give him the swag. Let me give him the look.
I'm tourist.
local thing. Can we give them the thing? The car come sideways. Can we give them full thing? Every top to bottom. You're married yet? Yeah, man. You're married. Your wife there? You're finished. You get the kids? Yeah, man. How much you got? Nice one dog in Florida. Yeah, one dog. But they have the beautiful wife. Yeah. Start time. Sunfest time. Next good look. Ah, now tell them brother. Brethren. Get things done up. Up. What are you doing? Fix again, no man. I know. Hold on, let's go. They're going to get you now. I want this. I want this. Yo, what me tell you say? Ask my wife. Ask my wife. One more one. Alright. Ask her. You know, should have been figure out that we should have your wife. Never look on this handsome and never figure out that we should have your wife. But guess what now? Me don't get it wrong enough. Me don't want to buy two of them. Can't call them so beautiful. Ah. Hey. So this is a beautiful wife. I'm being wife this. No. Family. Oh, so you're available. So you're available. You're married yet? She's American. She come from Texas. Oh, my word. So she's proud with me. Understand. She's proud with me. Break it down fair. I don't speak the best in this world. You understand? So you know, Jamaica walk by, man. Watch it every week. That's what. Watch it every week. Alright, so a cup of soup, my thing. If they watch the channel, they know why they believe it. They know why they believe it. They're walking like that. And he's sleeping. Don't tell him, man. Thank you, man. Real job. Yo, walk by, brethren. You think nice. Outside with it. Mistake, son. I love you that. So, today I'm wrong. Appreciate you for watching the channel. I'm real, the energy. Yeah, I will hear something, so you know. Yo, pick up some people before we sign out. Listen. Jamaica, big yo. Try to come at Jamaica. Yeah. Guess what? A good look this with my brethren Jamaica walk by. Brethren, you think nice? You get that? Big up and respect all of you, hear that? Wife, pick up yourself, alright? Shoot time!
If you're ready for the top guy, Shaneil Muir, put your hands in the air right now. All my independent ladies, put your hands in the air right now. The girl that we know the one problem, put your hands in the air right now. Let's put your hands in the air. One more time. Shaneil, ready. See ya.
If you're there, really, my bella, yeah. I mean, never born enough. Me never born in a history. Me still shop on the ease, and me still shop on. Turn up places, me a can me no. I don't can no fear. And if one of your size don't Them no know. Ready? Look for my good. Too nice and full of man problem. So me know worry about them. I depend on me and me back book apart. Sometimes don't need boyfriend. Me too real for your worry about status. I me don't care about that who don't rape me. Don't be get secure about you. Every time you say they want to hate me. Them no know, them no know, them no know. Let me hear real stuff. Hey,
What are you talking?
DJ Star.
Talking.
Yeah.
This is Sunfest.
Yes.
And when it comes to Sunfest, it means lyrics.
Ready.
I want you to drop a freestyle in Sunfest tonight. Let me see something. Let me see something at Sunfest.
Ready.
Let me see some.
Ready, mix it. This is full of lucky night. Squeaky, I want zero and lucky night. Say it one like say a butt lucky night. But this is nothing else for no boy. No broke boy can't broke in it. Top girl, you want touch that struck in it. You want touch from again, stuck in it. Round it for a PP club. I told me I'm the item I give up on my tears and I don't be I know the grip for you put in on me hand. I know the little what me sip give me my grace. And this some way me a sit down on the galley. That's it, eh? What's up? That is how you feel it.
Yeah, no joke, no doubt. What a performance by Shaneil Moore. That's been crazy. Crazy energy, crazy everything. I wonder who next. I could stay tuned, man. You don't know, big up to Shaneil Moore for your excellent performance. I mean, I tell you massive, the crowd just
with the official
place
Reggae Sumfest. Must be 18 years or older to drink. That's at your drink response.
Venue fully full. Remember me tell you.
Yeah.
You understand? You can't even move. You know people everywhere. Everyone in the section them full. You don't know the performance still going. You don't know Masicka perform yet. You don't know Vybz Kartel perform yet. Tamilina perform yet. Crazy people perform it. And trust me, so keep watching and let's do this. Let's see who is up next. Alright, so.
From out California, here, gonna strike force operation. Sunfest Montego here, and Muir come on Santos here. Copy. Yeah. Ready, man, ready. Make a shot, the berry top of warm up the men's like a hard sauce. Everybody generate a hard grass. Who does a big glass? Black party. We say you can eat dance. We just nice, be a high kind of top jazz. Never tell the brain and grow the gallant dance. I hope they make everybody top class. Don't keep something coming on this. Every man get fun for the white and black glass. Walk with glass, no, we don't have class. Rise to the top and like Sumfest when you come out to woman. The highest of the highest. I brought my mother here tonight. I mean she can see what I want. And she first showed me the first step in a galley stick. Yes, you want me a little bit? She used to drape me up and tell me, say, hey boy, yes, you make sure you have to eat that girl. They can't tell me you want galley and you want to come back and waste girl. That's it now, we know why. Mama, we don't dress girl. That's it now, we know why. Sumfest, man, that's not, yo, I got the girl. I'm a lot of people. Girl, team, take a dancing place. I ain't the one who got me up there. One time, I must say, man, I must say, one thing. Listen, me now, I know. Oh, God, no, you're such a young sweetheart. Oh, time I know how to my man pick. First, breathing, I said, me. Because they never put in on me. But for that last time. No, I'm not here, Jova. Yeah, call one, make a girl a DJ. Do you tell them that I should put it on? Anyway, that shit has never. Girl, don't rub it up, baby. I'm getting my face. Hey, someone that. Say Jenna, Jenna. Say Jenna, Jenna. Say strike force. Ready now. Look. 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 Yeah. Love you, baby.
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Little bit up. Yeah. Little bit up. Yeah. Little bit up. Yeah. Hey, shut your mouth with a little bit of money. Like you see, like me dip it in a. Pick a girl with a nigga car. You nigga money. She meet him, you fuck him. That's a nigga money. One star time, we don't make a little money. One day to be a man. I give my money, so they give my woman money. Fuck you with the money. You come up to the party. I don't think I'm money. Nah, bad man, you drink up a man. What's here? I saw them thing. What? We like a juice in a them. Block pocket, go on and carry it down here. Hey, who come up with you? Give us your money to you. Yo, go down to you. Go on, what is it with you? Yeah, I got your money now. Level. I need to make a phone call. Gonna give me a phone there, please. Oh, the phone? Yeah. We can only try your phone, less than 3. Alright, now we here. Tell me when it reach, yeah, boom. The phone Tell me when it reach. I'm not here to sell a phone. Tell me when it reach. We have the original phone. Tell me when it reach. We have the 80s phone. Tell me when it reach. We have the 90s phone. Tell me when it reach. Tell the phone, let me talk to Keisha then. Oh, sorry, my G, like for the wrong company. No, Keisha, oh, what about my G? It's good, one free. You know, when you have one of the fitness coach with the IG. Yeah. You'll be like ice cream in an iced tea. But I hope you see you pop up on the gala already. But they get them sugar tea and they get them naughty body. You know how that. Boss, walk on me DJ. Yeah. You know, real and I put the BMP, them real BJ. What? But I gotta say, I think they got this song as the real real. Yes, sir. That girl clone, listen up about 3 days. Big up yourself, man, Chris, you know what I'm thing. No, for them boy, you eat that to get thing. Millions of dollars I spent for Gary. Another man on road, them come for them getting. See her Keisha, say she have a man a parade. Waking up a fuck is that? Fuck is the one lean on the parking lot of carry. You were gonna believe what she never said she married. Say yo, Keisha red up. No, man, yo, Keisha puzzle. No, foreign minute, me just land. What you mean? Me a Keisha house. Drop down. I thought it takes it down. Get the sound down. Oi. Run up. Oh, they were calling me now. Check out the boy. So, they're coming in a tight line, huh? No problem. Kingston, them operate different. You know, me learn from school, yet. In the uptown girl, them love bad man. Uptown girl, them love bad man. Do it now, boy, where you get? Follow on a kick, jack it up. That's a girl, them love when they smell good. You can't look them a smell. Follow on a kick, jack it up. Follow on a kick, hey. We have a cake for the food.
you.
If Govana perform good here tonight at Reggae Sumfest, want to see every phone light in that building.
Take them on.
Want to see every phone light.
Every phone light.
Want to see every phone light.
Look your phone.
Oh, they can't take my glory this time. Every phone light. Every phone light.
Look at I
Every phone light.
Look at I
Every phone light.
Look at I
Every phone light. Every phone light. I left to right.
Left. Right.
Come on,
Left. Right. Left. Right.
Jamaica National Anthem.
Left.
We're on the separation. Dancehall at its peak right now. Big up every artist that contribute to that. Big up every artist that they are tonight. Big up yourself up from here. We feel like a jump right now. Smiling for the crowd right now. Man shining on the clouds right now. The sky come to be my life right now. Coming out the beat now. Every time we go to clear the water. And I go on the train, I go and I do it for you. And I go and stop, nothing all over the world. Hey, go on, and I say that's my whole high yard. Oh, God. Come in, hold on, something. Hold on, come here, mommy. Come here, mommy. Oh, yeah, do it too, Uncle. Come here. Come here. Squidden, forward. Come here, mommy. Come here. Sunfest. So she'll go and share young, she'll go and share young, watch her. Hey, she favor me, dog. I need favor. Come in, soon at this. Oh, yeah, I see your friend, I see you're full of fun, boy, watch out. Oh, you're my show. Oh, you're woman, I'm my show. How do you? Look here. Don't tell us something that turn crook. Where is it?
Tell them to turn it up to me.
Tell them to turn it up for you. Don't tell us something that turn crook. No. You hear well thing over the media for me. Now come go like the innocent and everything I hear are true. Most of them are lying. But you're growing me rough. You're growing on the art of Spanish town. Look here which side of Spanish town them know Mummy Sonia. You're a real general, you're a real mama. Somebody have to grow rough and tough. You see me? Where is it?
Bro, you're good.
Yeah, and you're eagle now. From nothing to something to right now, you get to me and say? I look at like life, mother. Look what your son do. Look what your son do, Mummy. What the ear will make for me?
Right now, who's gonna talk to them? We never feel it coming. We never embarrass you. I want the police to run out of the station and tell them they're criminal. You're in that bar with me. You're in that bar with me. And you know what's going on? Hey, no, and I evidence of you like that. Relations and they gave it. We're not done today. Put them forward.
Next up. Come here. Ball man. Yeah man. Look here now. Jesse, you can find it. You can put it up there, Jesse. I don't know where you come from. One look at both those who use this. I'm Federal and Manchester Road, yeah? We know both those most of my life. We just can't buy big house now. You see about a year ago, about 2 years ago, look up there, sir. You tell me, say, you want a CRV. You tell me, say, you want a CRV. Cry, man. Cry if you want to cry, yeah? Now guess what? We tell the poor story.
Performance.
In a poor story.
This is performance.
We tell the poor story. The youth them in the pan the road, we drop the wind up on the door. We come in here just in a boat, we put me on the road. Right now we're ready. Yes, now we're not done for saving. But it never come for saving. Bring the active money, my crazy. We have been moving. We tell a poor story now.
Yeah.
He said, man, all who say can't do one more song, put your hand here.
I just hear something I say, yo. You step on the road, me drop the window on the door. We don't be paid to see the boat and put the party on the road. Right now we're rapping. Yes, now we're not touching savings. But you never come to saving. Big like the body, my baby. Sunfest, hey, we tell the boys sorry now. We tell the boys sorry now. We tell the boys sorry now. Level. Me say R.I.P. don't know, me say R.I.P. Shane, me just bury to them, brother. Now they from a funeral, come right and say no Montego Bay. Just bury my local family, you hear that? You hear that? Right now, me in a all white, I'm tired of all black, my friend. I lose too much friend, boy. I'm in a murder separation, but right now, I can't even lose friend him right now, brother. You say bit deep on the spree, look man a breathe. Getting a little of them laugh off a million up on a beat. Right now we're raving. Yes, now we're not touch with savings. Level. Big up every youth from Garrison in us. I'm here far from an wickedest Garrison place in Spanish town. Coming from a desolate place that me lost some old friends. Me start forgetting them names. But no matter what, me not forget face. Pressure build diamond, but pressure makes snake too. Did have to do this from Epalate days. Mama shed tears when she heard the rent raise up. Little things that use the pressure, man, brain, tread up and brain. Never black chain, one speed, yo. They was a bit step on the street, I went them come on the brain. You think I live love them now, but I'm a lean up on the day. Right now we're ready. Yes, now we don't touch the savings.
I am super lost for words with this performance from Govana. OMG. Govana so far has had the crowd to their knees, I'm telling you. Trust me, with an energetic performance and an emotional one to that. Bringing out his mother and presenting his mother with a brand new car on stage. Trust me, so far, Govana was extraordinary. Big up to Govana and the entire 4th Jenna crew. No joke, no doubt. Reggae Sumfest 2025 is just off the chain. And the crowd is just simply amazing.
Hey, Jamaica!
Presidential the flag. Presidential the road. I want side to the landslide. I stop that. It's Masicka. And it's Kartel. Hey, Johnny, balance it before you started. Good night, Jamaica. Good night, Reggae Sumfest. All my beautiful ladies, can you scream for me, please? Yeah, straight up. And this might be my last Reggae Sumfest, you understand? Because we can't take the style thing now. Bad boy. Ready now, Johnny? Hold on. Let me see some phone line. Come here, talk about. Phone line! Out of family the first time I never look back in a family of reverse. I'm back in the first time and I live. They say me as baddest artist. I mean that. Why you give me the 7 star of my friend? Hey, let's have it jump up here. Hey. Count of a minute, the first time I never look back in a family. Papa did that the first time I defended that. And that time something up in it. My brother almost said this. Count of a minute, the first time I never. This is me jump up, crazy that girl, fresh life, wow. And I bring the pussy to the next side. Now, motors, you can red light. Now, look at how many things for the end, man. Yo, Mr. Man, mad in the morning, I see. And you know when they mad in a Sunfest. I'm here born a beg no friend, you hear that? Oh, when you want side back step then I'm on here. Every song now we have some. Every song now we have some. What have been going on? This time they know me at the top of the hill. John the midnight crying with that. Squeeze up again. One side. Come down. See it ya. See it ya. One side. See it ya. See it ya. One side. Them say no more bad one. Them say me to keep it clean. Give me the service. Mr. Bilonely at the top of the hill. John the midnight prime on the shot of the skill. John Johnny 99 on the. There's fucking 9 time on the back. No, I'm in the pillar of the rest because of. Run up on the confession packet. Chef and chase the jeans on the. 2 fucking 9 prime on the. Give me the man send the money for this. I'm better than the roadside today. Better than what we outside it. Pull up, pull up. Tell them stay cute. Tell them I'm cute. If me come in now, belly what a great youth. Me can't sing the chorus. 7th. Limelight, limelight. Big the end on that, that's hard to get my mind. Hey, time, red, pen. Canterbury, and CLM, and Rosals, and Reggae Sumfest. What did you want Masicka fans up there? Hey, this is the Inakapa. Louis V. don't go past that's Masicka. When they say Inakapa, get me mash up any plan. Blow the butter, see no cold of water, ice finger time and pizza. You can't give me the service. Some of them not too much, but this bugger talking, I put a house up at the hill and touch and get a half kit. I dance to come to my boss, this a target. What to get the beat and tell you that I know the man. Come farm basket, and can't farm it, and car. One is just a pump and ask it, but all the shots are at the end. What you want to get me not tell you, tell them put it on them. Get them in the, get them in the, clean for them. They can't give me the segments again. Give me some more. This is me not a palm. You will be don't know what farm and that's what they are. And they run this so hard. You don't know the eyes in my heart. Stop it. It's not it. Full of it. I'm in a rush it. Well, we one side fans them in our Sunfest tonight. Let me see some signals, sir. Talk to your fans. All my beautiful ladies, can you scream again for me, please? Play. You have some boy which are switching a light. Balance it. You have some boy post up girl every day. I mean, I see them post their mother. All I will love their mother in that crowd. Let me see some signals, sir. Push up behind them. All I would know is if they make $1 million tomorrow. Them not sell out. Some boy, you opportunity is fresh. Them can't trick me. I shot people in their face from them. We can't tell us about. Mix me low. A change is in life. Jump on the plane, it's me. Hey, mommy can't complain. My life and nothing. No more changing. Nothing full of this. No one did not change. Changes in life. You stitch up at the studio, everything I play. Man, nothing to play the night, but them a play here. Yo, change them to people, and I see ya. Now I got to do the thing, brother, me. Give me last, and share a plate. Man, I even have a place, and they now be no care. Yeah, we touch my number, share the fear. And so we not like it. Be the days, you general. I know who never sell out yet in a Reggae Sumfest. What do you tell about? Give me the service. Changes in life. Jump and I play this thing. Can't complain. I life are not the same. No more changing life. But it could have been. Changes in life. This is something that changes in life. And this is rock bottom. Oh yeah. Why tell me your time, Sasha? What do me? Rock up for me. What do me? Rock up. What do me? Rock up for me. Rock up. Don't you feel like you feel like a joke on me? Looking like what's up? I'm soon I go. I'm soon I go. I'm soon I go. I'm soon I go. I'm soon the one something I was. I'm soon I go. Me alone. Me alone. Hey, come here to me. Come on, come here. Come on, yeah. Don't you feel like you feel like a joke? Every man thinks that they come to don't you feel like you feel what? No credit for no boy, no time at all. Me a one boy, me hold every time. All I want to know say them not beg no friend. Give me some signals. Give me some signals, sir. Them not too like me in the music, I believe in business. We can't tell why. Take me chances, yeah me take. Load my gun, keep it close, not me no take. So much man everything go next to me than that. What me do? I'm them best me, watching them. What me do? I see them shit, watching them. It's fine. More hits. More hits. 1 hour time champion. More hits. Sign up to get to heavy. Sign up to get to heavy. Tell them about this man. No, we are looking at Sunfest. I see we tell them that. Give me a She just open her left and then she further man. Look at man. Come in the one bush weed and at the brains I get a shot. Stick on the mic or rock them freezer. When the girl is stepping at the crowd in a Sunfest, what do you call them? Image, sign up me getting it. Kind of feel up and know me all about it. Tell them I'm born for star. And she will tell the same sign about it. Sign up me getting every girl in her.
More hits. More hits. Sunfest on the other. One side pass.
I don't want some money in their pocket. I don't want some money in their pocket. Push on me for that. Hey man, I live seriously. Motor. One mountain, Gucci motor. We pull up on the big and motor. So we got this heaven as a motor. Motor. And they don't examine up. I want phone card. They are looking at my beer. Left two boy, supporter. And the big girl who are from banana. The M1 who are not out of Ghana. No friend man gun from powder. Say them match up, put them match up out the farmer. Say them a hack, you see them a coat the baller. Me no see no fence bill, no water. Not a baby money that me go. Hey, me bring in charge of foreign, I go to under foreign, that's it up. Lucky in the charger, she don't need massage. Hey, man, I live fiercely. I'm out and Gucci motor. We pull up on the big and motor. Sorry that this a man that's come motor. Motor. And the don't mix and the not total. One phone call. And one phone call.
Shaneil.
When you say no ready again.
Look like you're ready. More hits fire. I don't want your boss you. I'll send it for the world.
Oh, that's it. Yeah, boom boom said I want to bust me and send me to the world. I'm gonna be a fussy boss. All of the gangs are them in the street when I did the violation. Let me see something else. If you stand up this side and your friend and nobody can violate you, let me sing that song. Send it. Oh, just step up and pick up on this cylinder. What you think I know? You don't know what you think. We don't have. You are the champion of it. You can speak up. What's the cylinder? Go on. Simple as you see the top in the fire. You can get like that for the master than that. Who are you? Something. What's the cylinder? Stand in the bed. She got a piece of the cake and in the day. What the fucking stand on this? You can't say something else again. Mr. Me, I look right there, so we can't say something else again. Give me a load it. They say the boy them start it and them a go there.
Roberto Carlos Samba.
They do say something talk about the end. When me cell phone there, make a smart call. Coco time roll out, couple tall hard. That big one night. Be fighting. The 357. Hey boy, all if you live in country, you will dead now when you're too far, man, that's it. All me need the tick full and get a bad driver. Pension and spension, I'm gonna top life. Squeeze. I'm here the ladies them time, you know.
Ladies, where you at?
I'm here the time to a girl them time, you know. All my beautiful ladies, can you scream for me, please? I don't have to call my baby and tell her one time, say. You tell me last night, say this is your last time. Say you want me fuck you like you come in the rascal. Put up on the bed, on the ledge when you start one. My verse, you want something them can't. One in a million, best pussy the part time. Love it when you dip and give me cocky and fast shine. Pussy bring joy. But you can't help me sing it, you know what I say? You're such a blessing, girl. I would have forget the rest of mine. You're such a blessing, girl. I would have forget the rest of mine. There's such a blessing, girl, that the church is the rest of mine. There's such a blessing.
Ladies on the feet! Can you scream,
And I'm up, chill out. And I'm the good pussy, let me show down here. Let me see how the ladies have a way of saying that stuff. Who wants to see every good body girl have the love of this right now? Mix me know. Really like features, really fine features. I die for us, I fight for us. I would have spent my life with you. Young king of pretender, something to remember. She had things for us spender. Hold on! The world face when you enter your pretty like a daddy kind of place that you said. See your told me go to letter. What a skin tender you look like me then. She gon' surrender, I gon' caress you. Best friend, yeah. We love in our extent, yeah. You be born and of them, feel like love for the first time. I love my girl in a real life. I like man, them I love them girl. Let me see some signals when I hear. I like warrior, them I love them girl in a Sunfest. Let me see some signals so. We on board man, balance it. Hold on. Really like features, feeling fine features. Spend my life for you, die for us, fight for us. I would have spent my life for you. A young king, no pretender. A something to remember. She hunting for a spender. Squeeze. Yes, I want it. You got the good pussy. Can I plant it? You know that to drive me. Yes, I want it. You got the good pussy. Can I? Baby! Nobody that I'm most wanted. And anytime you bring this up, I come, you know, feel like out of it. Come me like a vibe. Nobody that I'm most wanted. And every man want to touch up and you me girl. We can't sing for the ladies them. Can your body fat is like it starts sweat. Mess around and give her that hard shit. No say girl a wicked but me nah lie. Believe all the lies like you. All the truth you know if you ride it half well. Maybe true you something. All me know say girl you are my angel. You me know my wife baby. Girl me love your pretty treasure. All me know this love is ever. When you back it up it's like that. Come now, talk it, push it all in. Your body brady, watch your walking. When the good body girl them from over here in a Sunfest, your body is the most wanted. Anytime you bring this up, come you know very good on it. He come here like a bad. Nobody is the most wanted. And every man wanted to chat for your big girl with them. He come here like a bad, yeah. Come like you buy. But now I like to have enough forward and Sunfest. It's a vibe. When you send it ready again. Step London. No relationship is smooth. No relationship is smooth. One time you have to call her and tell her, where you do? Be a message. Balance it. Cause I will break up and we fuck and we make up better. First as you wake up and you trust of your makeup and nobody me not trust now. Put a space where you take up, that my brain in yourself, so you have to take a septic cut. This love life, this is the love life. But me keep on missing your body, love and you're the kid and the bed, please do not. Set a chip off your body, suffer and give up and get your love it and they put you. You know when you make me happy, love never cost me. Sunfest, moments like. Tell me you love it, but send you on the right squeeze. She beg, she cry. Put it in, put time for night. Our custom will break up, I will break up, and nobody love it. What me say? These don't fly. What me say? Yes, they don't fly. But I keep on missing your body love, and you're the kid and living at the place, you know. I said that you pop your body, someone that give up me, and you love it. Balance it there. Never knew something, can't test it. Sunfest. What me say me rich and a joke me a make. Me say when me say me rich, some boy does a chat that cause it easy, a 4-letter word. I'm a woman, me can't tell you some more. Spend me money for you, cause you fine. Do your hair and your nails get a ride. No you can't. Richer, me say it every time. Spend me money for you, cause you fine. I do your hair and your nails get a ride. No girl can't attend your outside. Richer, me say it every time. Spend me money for you, cause you do your hair and your nails get a ride. What me do? Put me in a daily and test me in at the time. What you do? If them say 5 hours and 5 hours and it's don't style already. You understand what I say Reggae Sumfest? Squeeze it! What do you guys say? Mister, I'm your new man in my party right now. Hold on. They answer that question, they go on to the answer. What if you answer me? I just don't know you feel like gold. Me can't hear you no. Me not hear you no. I just don't know you feel like gold. Me can't hear you no. Girl, you want me up when the night cold. You're magic and you do something to my soul. You're pretty and you're bad and you are right gold. Need you on this someone I met me. Life pole gone up in a you. Me like scroll and see your body. She said me a pussy bitch and me go. Me say you feel like gold. Me can't hear you no. Me not hear you no. Hey, sometimes you just me can't hear you no. Me not hear you no. Stop that. I want to see every phone light in a Reggae Sumfest before me sing that one. Play that back now. I want to see every single phone light now. Me not sing. Me more serious. Me come off the stage. Me have bad people to read. I'm telling you, I'm rich long time. Every phone light I want to see in a Reggae Sumfest. Next me. Remember so now we are that. We are my bad man. We are my crosses. Me are looking at Sunfest. Looking at my life and you will find. Never sit up the time right as suicide. Man take fun and not the fun and do not find. Life is like a quick man, I'm a good fight. Hey, fuck the music, let me sell some weed out with a vine. Life a pop man and try, okay, mama try. Hope the men they dose to kill me, yes, but man I'm high. But they, give me the service. Hold on. Go, come. I'm not the motion, let me not be for the time. I'm not the one. I'm the man. Me are looking at something. Hold on. They never forget me. They might say nothing. Sunfest, they keep myself. Yeah, what is it? I don't know that. Balance me. Mr. Life I go change, friend I go turn. Link I go pop, bridge up the night. Girl I go give her the pussy and you will learn. Life I go show you don't if you don't. Me say that he go pop and then he heard the bird and get it. So, me I go pop and get that. What me do? Take the line, you know your head up high, you see them paint, when you cry, you see them flame, then I'm it. Until the game, I believe on your sick flip in the line. Balance that. And I get to my bar, I don't tell no life on that. In a heart, I hear it so. I'm a promise my mother said, I have to make it up. I have to get rich. No boy not determine my future. No girl not determine my future. A jar guy. All I would know say a jar guy in a Sunfest. So me tell that. We get the 6 and come to this time. All you do is get Truth, it might be my last Sunfest, you understand? There's some boy now in the style, I'm telling them about for real, you hear that? All who believe in themselves, we have, hey, listen off the floor like a river. Yes. Squeeze, I'm going to take them back to basic. They are taking them back to basic. Phone light again. Every phone light in a Sunfest. Every phone light in a Sunfest. Hey, don't know what's going on there. Hey, don't know what's every phone light. Hey, don't know what's going on there. Hey, don't know. Now, what throw them out of here? How them a go like we know? Give me four. How them a go like we know? You want to make it better. Keep it up for another. Run the sun. How them a go like Sunday-born. But I'm a man for the riches. Nothing now going on the switch up. No coming down them but me before. But dancing at the place of a man. Sunfest we never run from it. And even when I roll into the party, guess what they bring that? The would have loved to see me from the dance hall. It's like bad minor. Don't need for. How them a go let me know you before? How them a go let me know something before? You have to make it when you're hungry for sure. Crips in a cup and I know. How them a go like 7 body now? Sleep on the floor. But from a man, Mr. Plan for the riches. Stop it. And that's what just so me get a rough life. But I'm ready for the fire. Water commission. Pressure bus fiber. I turn it up a notch. Check up my style. I'm ready to man a face the weather just like you. So when you see me in the leather, don't bad mind. Work hard and never find you. Crips in a cup. Girl on the front seat, you know what? Give me back that, don't stop it. And give me it low. I'm proud of where I come from every time. These are born get to you, me no hide that, me no shame. Me can't tell you no why, mix me low. And the same old book, same old dirty boy, same old group. From high school days, with all the players, everything.
Come them.
Hey, watch your last half an hour, you know.
Yes, sir, they show me.
You have 27 minutes left.
Genocide.
Watch your ball game now.
Sunfest, for this hand and then we catch it. Women say they want it, no one had done it. Yeah, they have it active, but this Lord want to stop it, no one had done it. See it through from his hand, now watch this crowd now record it. Me not here, not be 20s, grab this hard boy them up. Touch them, girl, snatch them stuff, drop them wings, wrap them up, tick them up, but watch them fall, man. Cup it in a pie beside them, grab them down and kick it out of it. Now go fall, I've been told of it, but they don't. Sunfest, I got the jump, sing how she, bury me. Yes, I wish you forgive me to live in life. Give me the service again. Me a looking at something. Me a make it up for you, man. Tell me what you need. No man no got it overhead in radio. Me born a friend killer. Baby don't be greedy, most I am for me. More than belly with me. I still the praise myself, my praise joint to the lead. Life I move too fast as I believe in Jenny. Man just can't believe in the Bible. And if me ever call you up, I just feel over me up. Fire on my soul, them couldn't call me up. Rolling up, well once I'm a ground me rough. Victorious, until the day me. Have them girl in my bed and she up. They can't box it, see me so. Can't make money in my morning, I know. Me can't try some more. Hold on. Shut a left gun and every man a collect out. Everybody gun and everybody gun. Never man out every time I say that's what it's up. I feel that I don't have to put up shot together. I think the matter of it is any boy big gun pick up forward. It can't carry back that and nobody know them. And she has gone. I died at the right place. I boy, you died at the right place. She has gone. I died at the right place. Everybody goes and they take another life change. Because I died at the right place. You think I died at? Leave. Squeeze. Give me that microphone. Give me that microphone. Wages and savings there coming up. And the family first. Sunfest. Just like the family. What we do? Serious at it. Take a boat over forest if it's close at the 14th. Hold your man down, cloud, shake like. What we say? I have it. Head to the party, it's food like. Bread, food and chalice. My habit and me don't move like Alice. Girl loose like Alice. Sometimes me don't remember if I saw Alice. Hey, mommy come show you like Gladys. Marvin from school, like buddies. I'm my friend. Talk to them. Hey, I'm inside. Coming out with me also. Running around the mouse and never wake up back. And never bring my cat and never bring the cat out. Pulling up and then giving up it on me. Watch out. Think that's right. Bring up in the muscle. What do people we not talk to? This was like a originally that I want. I'm a dad, and this is what I know. Promise. When you say you want to say something else, you want to shoot somebody in the morning, yeah? When you say you want to shoot somebody, shoot somebody. Hey, jump give me up. Hey, what daddy, hot daddy, yeah, this son, when you put that up, drop daddy, that's my gun up, you know, you know I'm jump daddy. Pop up your belly like what they fuck daddy. I'm checking, black daddy. You can't say something. You can't say something. You can't say something. You can't say something. Hey, Sunfest. I just stay and start wrong. Shut up, everything. All you feel like I'm in a. Skills. Hold on. I don't believe in themselves. Let me see some signals. What you believe in themselves? Where you Jamaicans them there? Where warrior them there? Where warrior them in a Sunfest? How will we do? Let me be a you begin. No money, no pocket that I sin. But mine, get up and pop a pin. What I paid to heart to give like a Papa moon, did I reach it, Papa sin. I just hold, I did you do some other. She what? Hey, Sunfest! And the people are father. And the people are father. And the people.
I saw you rich.
I saw you rich.
Look at us.
See it. You know what made hurt me now. See it, come on. Hold on.
Don't be stuck. Don't be stuck. Everybody know. Don't be stuck. Don't be stuck.
Have you said everybody up?
Looking at the crowd.
Give them a hug.
Give them a hug.
Everybody.
Give them a hug.
What me do? I'm going to stand up for it. Let me go. Leave me the jacket. Do the most. Sing the message. Get the carry enough. Everybody.
Give them a hug.
Tough shackers. You don't know just. Tough shackers. Them bad is a top. I don't bust cappers. Don't put a dog. Girl. Don't girl me. On this one look. Me back up a truck. A big room. A hard room. No. A clean sweep. A fast up. No. Don't escape. Love you look. Hold up a chest. Love you look. Me roll up a neck. One crocodile. Who are them a pet? Seizure a must check. Deal with me past like here. All out can defend themselves. Sit. And it's everybody.
Everybody up. Give them a hug. I love the look. I love the look. I love the look. I love the look. People who are more Masicka. One side.
Them down.
One side.
Squeeze.
One side. One side. One side. One side.
Hey, I get something. They are looking at Bobby here. They are looking at Bobby here. They said they put up a all I want some money in their pocket. They said they put up a 20 magic attack. They got all gear machine engine. When they go road, they bring it coming up. Stop the cap, we go to the rock. Off the stop, above the shot. Touch it hard, jump it and touch it hard. One more time, for the fucking time, we get the other. Them number. Space. I first saw me perform that one. Who wants to see me phone light in or something? I'm so now we have something. Balance it. Call it great, you don't call it. One day I'm at the bitches on me. Paper chase beat and pass your fuck. Pick up a cat and make it a blast the chalk. Reaches and blows up, pass the cup. Whenever I say that, pass it up. I sound present. Can't modestly. Listen to me, Sunfest. I one side to the other side, there ain't no other. Now this is something that's on the Sunfest. What me a talk about? Brothers! Call it perfect, don't call it up. One ear for the riches of it, call it. Yeah, me talk it up. Say me family so pass me talk it. Fear what she just need and pass up. Fear what I can make it up nasty. Riches and close up. Yo, like it is this without the soul. Like it 6 days without the show. Put it on the big screen with I show. So we pack up Christine and I go. And can't share them on the tree with I grow. Ready? Give me a back seven. Then I'll try fight the fly like go. Kill a boy and slide like go. Say God that I know. You have the stuff to cry like. You have the stuff to cry like those of them. You have the gun to cry like. You have the gun to. Papa, me think guys don't screw. Lights out, they say you drive out you. Man cliff, vibe out through. Man sick and them a hype out you. Man rich and them a hype out you. I'm gonna come in that style of the war. Baby, come out you. Come on, this is your gun. Yo, like it is this without the soul. Like it 6 days without it. When you say I've been showing the job in? What up? What up, Sunfest? What up, Sunfest? Let me slow down with your friend. What is this now? Big line. 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 Take a straight down. Hey, hey, hey. You don't represent this shit. What is that already? What already? Take that. Take that. Take that. Everybody. Take that. Take that. I don't know, she just said me know the fuck I can't me. Nobody don't know coming on her. Why do I love it? Hey! When the days are sharp, what up I'm talking? What up in I dark, I'm a backer. What up I'm in my bed? So best class, I'm in my bed. Oh, I keep it. Good for the cat, the man when I say so, daddy. Serve and I'll make it prove it. Balance it. Balance it. You see in a Jamaica how they right here, so I go on like them real youths. Them can't style me. You hear that? Enough of them go like them real youths and no one youths on superstar. When you reach certain heights, them try to hold you down. Them can't hold on the greatness. I cannot tell you this something. That's why I represent these streets all the time. Balance, you them are some superstar. Nobody's stopping it. Man totally lacking it. Sunfest, proud of the champion king, go and the captain king, go and boy lacking it. And Taros has a penny buster. Compassionate, and I'm the confident man. Man, I also put that cheek and could have kicked it. Tell her who I said I don't want to sing. They don't accredit. And if I'm here for chasing them, one of a kind of them is not the thing. And if the boat of them, they're not kidding. How much time them say me have? 12 minutes?
You know, Dalits, yeah. You should have 12 hours.
Alright. How much time me there now? Sunfest. In the worst night there, you don't want like me. I went side to the landslide. I will run Mobile. Mr. Sienna, Mr. Chancaberry, Mr. Rosales. They are looking at Mobile. The dog starts to white store, a coffee store, hot high kitchen now. 17 shows up in. Hey, Sunfest. It's all a coffee store. Hot high kitchen now, sharp the clothes. 17 shows up in Shababa. Me no make sardine. Remember before the chips like quick. Run the man take car. Hold it up here, man. Hold it up here, man. Young skull with the 17. Trigger in our water. Give me the 7. Key a chop the night, Lord. Boy, we are talking night, Lord. Running my child on the night. See the king and take your life. And the walkers steer up in night, Lord. But this never could you look at night, Lord. I told you, I want. No, it's not toast the night, Lord. Yeah, we call. Ready for the thinking of the cast and the crowd. Funny fall up, white sheet, I rub up your body. Nice street of the letter. You alone by God, make us step your ball. We don't care who's. Well, you can't sing it with me. Me said my dog, I said, oh, I stole a coffee. Hot high kitchen, now I shot it. 17 shoot of it. Hey, my dear! Jamaica, Jamaica. Well, I know. Because you know, as we said, them love fight youths, you know. So when I'm a brother here with them a fight. Joshie, get a microphone and follow. How are you them a bad brother? What? Because you know that's how we feel, you know. Joshie, how are you them a bad brother?
Full active, man. You know it ain't go.
I know. They can't stop get to you, not time.
I can't stop doing
They
this.
can't stop get to you, not time.
Hey, we done on my top before.
Just thinking of
We need you. Never mind to get shoes. Mr. Never mind to get shoes.
Sunfest.
Hey, go.
Only take all about of you, they pick up our tree, they catch you like it, and you really can't have. Come and tell you, the amount of you take and the baby come to this, they got the baby can't have. They take a daily amount of rifle with me, the amount of rifle with me, the amount of rope, the basic house. Tell them the baby, so when I get my rats up the house, they post it up about she's the puppy top of fly. But you're in and tell them I just fly.
The First Nation fights today in a Sunfest.
Riches get to you.
We say the First Nation fights today in a Sunfest.
Who don't give me some signal?
Who don't give me some signal?
Hey, hey.
Because sitting on the faces and the most of the life I man. And now I realize the sun.
So we don't want me to die. We don't want me to die.
Hey, because sitting on it. Level that there. Now my fans them say me short too much. But one DJ singing for Sunfest. Yeah, my dear. Hey! Mommy, don't worry, you know your child different. After the law, say I'm in the everything. She never knows that you're using that. Only blessed with everything and then put them ready.
out our corner go. Nobody, none of them. Hey, Sunfest, it's not hard to the people. We have to honor them. We open the ear them. One side, first nation, I'm working. Hey, it's not hard to the people. We have to honor them, stop them out. Balancer, now Johnny, balancer. Cause you know my mother than the rest. Play this up. DJ them can fight the thing but not for too long.
Them can't fight it. We are killing them in a real life.
Tough days but we never complain. Rough days like that but sprain when me do me whole fear. Me then no failure. I know me losing I came from 25 to life because hey, Mr. Yo, where you not still on the Sunfest? When do I say I feel right so? Me just picking up the pieces from the puzzle of life and my music. I'm
don't worry a dog, we stand. Hey, we don't worry a night. We don't worry a day. Hey, just picking up the pieces. You don't really love your people on the street is. Them poor, they will kill your dignitaries. Hey, we don't worry a night. We don't worry a day. Reggae Sumfest. You know anything already? We feel like finish the morning the way, you know?
Which is right.
What did you want Masicka Performance? Let me see some singers. What did you want Masicka Performance? Let me see some singers. Mama soon now we upside down. Mama soon now we upside down here something. Yo, father, right? Fight it for you. All our choices are perfect. Never flaws, I'm in a Christ. Sunfest, you can call it sacrifice. Man just wants mama nice. One guards the kids and now they get to it. Life is a fucking paradise. I do not love I can't be drive. Yo, them shoes are those size. I'm a brother shoes, that's how we do it. All I know say them can't stop. We have HAP just cut the night off. Then all the work I done fight. We send the future now. We can't tell them the summer something. Hey, this time is still stay strong. Yeah, still stay strong. Genocide. Sunfest, the summer street, no man like me about we go to them. Love when they hear that. I want side to the left side. Hey, no. We still stay strong.
What a performance by Masicka himself. You don't know, genocide. The man say one crocodile. Sunfest is still booming massive, and trust me, it's all about time right about now for the man himself, the man of the moment, Vybz Kartel, the whole Gaza crew, you know what I mean? Big up to Masicka and the whole crew. Super great performance by Masicka. I tell you, have the crowd rocking straight. You know what I mean? Masicka say, oh, this might be his last performance, but who knows? Because it seems like something go on before the show start. Actually get Masicka up on the edge, but you don't know. Nevertheless, Masicka still delivered a superb performance. Not a joke, no doubt. Remember me tell you. So, as I hear enough, as a light man look off the light, you know what time is it? Are you ready? Let's do this!
Yo. Masicka get vexed. Masicka said, don't up. You know who ramp with the killer, but yo, don't with the killer. Fuck up Masicka, but you know everything up all night.
Everything good still.
Yeah, man.
No joke. So Masicka, we could stay tuned. Mad thing right about now. Stay tuned. Look like Vybz Kartel himself. A mad thing. Let's see what go on. Who knows? We could see.
people. Good night, Jamaica. World Boss is here. We've been touring the world. And I know we don't see them do it sweet like Freedom Straight. Now we're there Sunfest. We're going to show them how Jamaica get that. Ready? Yeah. They want to test me when they know them can't. Tell them no how that's high. I can know. Yeah. Yo, chase me line. Wake them up like a tsunami. They want to see war. This all they say. Because we're when we're from the line, we feel like as I know who I want, how I want it. He don't need no boy for you tell me. Where he must be gone, why he must be gone.
Stop ranking, tell flanker rise the damn thing.
We murder people don't stop. Smack the jaws drop. Yo, mommy. We are class 16, it's only a 16. Bumbo one of 7 man, radically red. Yo, hold on. People. And at 1 o'clock now, and at 2 o'clock now, what time? 3 o'clock in the morning, when they go walk up and down with them. Hey, we know you see boy and I, tell them say. Walk with us, yes. Hear me saying enough here. Jamaica this. Okay. A my girl. Yes, I'm forward from. You ready? Yes, I'm near the sing cut. You ready? And I can tell you something else? No boy, can't make me run this like this. Rock me up and get it. They make you the singing like right here. Alright, so guess what? Can't hear me. Why not even training? Make me walk off a book now when it's done. No boy can't run this out my yard. We now run away. Look, me now move for drink for higher big choke. Me rather go see till the fire pit broke. The ball of fire link up. Look, when I never shy go bow. When they come from Jamaica, him should buy gun, him should buy a pink cup. You love them a million, they should buy a million. You salty, spread out and asphalty. Yes. Well, I'm gonna pull my shirt. Like Jamaica all the way. You see it? Fully active. Ready? Mommy! Israel burial. Gaza. Hey, hey, come on, hey. I'm so big, man. Everybody there, but the next one survive. Me got is it from me a little boy. 6'6", any guy, baby 6 foot, 6 feet, 6 feet supply. Shoot like us, no ear so fly when Spanish so black gun them raise up high. Boy, man go fly down. We ain't got the sky, got each up on a black cap, so when it a fly. Pause. That's we just a warm up. Ready now. Drop that.
When you see me on the Gaza,
Jamaica, Shaneil, sing, pan, go. Say no more, no. Where you make it, smarty yako. Jump, turn it up. The boy have 119 past the dial. The time when you take a child program, man, you should have looked some pussy out. You should have rubbed to the stars and the carpenter. Shavinci, empty the 40 cap. That fully over hot metal. Brandon it off a lead. Boy! Pull up! People, I don't even know if I feel good today. This bugger touring with them at the kingston off the pan. Can't drink, can't smoke, but represent for the culture right through. All over the world. One Jamaica. Everyone. Bust a blank for the country. Drop something. We not fighting so easy. All when you're rolling with the army that don't scare me. We represent the Gaza. No afraid of nobody, we no afraid of nobody. No afraid of nobody, we no afraid of nobody. We no afraid of nobody. Never scared, never scared, never scared, never. Watch out! Me man alone. Me no fight and them no shot out. Me no left man on them down the yard. It's a war you got the same war before. You see, oh be a man them no take talk. So go and flip up right flag or four. And no farmer you gone alone. South Spring gun call like all alone. Sing no. Dash. Look. All of the people that we are hustling on the matter. Turn it up. If you are high class, hold up. Glasses. Then jump the man. Send jails and tight. You know jail time that I waste time. Mine for my money, got my money for my mind. This is how them a breathe in that time. Tell me what just in the yard. Mine for my money, and look. Low me, money me and make side and have none fit. 30 million for your house upper. So me go and hustle round a father. In Ahmed, no man write me like. All when me broke rich girl down. Yo man, me left that wealthy and not even money can't talk say shit. Me born as a dad like live up way. Him teach me say me man book nothing. Pocket nothing in Gaza no. I got the finition like TV yeah. Money off the road. In all time, you know jail time that I waste time. Mine for my money and my money for my mind. Good man. Nothing. Are you clear? Them over there, sir. Can't test the girl them over there, sir. Alright. Look. What you like over there? Let me test the girl them first. Now the tip and tea, no, the tip and tea. Make sure that your set is not for your auntie. If you're not Christian, just look. Support the panty are black. The panty are white. You see, if you come here without underwear, support the panty are brown. If I agree, but if the panty are blue and the catches are big, turn it up, bro. This is the breast, this is the breast, where the man will be it. Put! Hold on to her. Yeah, me ladies them can. What are vibes? 5 minutes.
Surely.
Ladies, looking nice sky, how about that? Drop it. Ladies! I feel like blessing them nothing. Look, you go say coming like Bible. When it open up, it's the heaven. You put on the bless my angel. Loving you like creation. Your pity coming like I probably love some great sex. And your man till now that's stillness. And you're never afraid that it gets sex. Woman! Gotta go with you, and I'm in love with you like oh, you ever bless boom boom. Gotta go with you, and I'm in love with you like oh, you ever bless. Gotta go with you, and I'm in love with you like oh, you ever bless boom boom. No, Jamaica girls, wine baby. Like say me giving you a boy baby. If it is a girl, then you might take it. Squeeze up your body, what a birthday it is. Missy piece of heaven when you ask her to live. Your last man make your earth hear this. If your heart look already me your first aid kit. Come in and me house, girl, I word praise this. And guess what? You know, I gotta go with you, and I'm in love with you. Like oh, you ever dash. Something else, girl. Like boom boom, yeah. Nothing on the video, them wait you. Come show say you love me. I don't know. What's up? Let a girl love me with that. Your boom boom clean and ready for me. That's the boots of it. Jiggle up your body now. Me stop slapping up your body so. Me love how you pushing me, you shove it me, you ram it to her. I say, what you say, girl? Midnight if you want, but someone see your mother, see your papa, me no matter. Look, Jamaica, looking at me, I know I got this you, baby. Baby, from a fine you alone me want, girl. Thank you, ladies. Oh. This is for the girls, them and the ladies, them. One job. But me not tell you no lie. Me never see a catty when me love so. Me love you, my baby, this is where me love you for. In the street, you and me wifey. But in the bedroom, you're so lively. Anyway, me say pick up, she cock it up. And when they ready me, she love me so much. But listen this now. I'm a baby that she turned me on. She did laugh at the body, she not ready for me come. She done with the bed, she sang up on the ground. Look. We weren't ready to do it. We were in the phone booth, pan the VDG, in the church, in the spirit, in the studio, the vice and the civility. You cannot stay, so no life, you no live. Anyway, it's a figure. She got it up, and when me ready me, Lord, she love me so much. But listen this now, me never see a girl sing. Oh. Vroom vroom, mommy and girl. Ladies, you bumper big, ready now. See the bike, girl. Thanks for that. You got the big bike, bumper the material. Position like a pen on the panny bike. Position like a pen on the panny bike. You got the big song and you got the bike back. You got the big no. Picture me and you and me. K-I-S-S-I-N-G. Picture me and you under the tree. fi enter the center. Yeah. Position like that when you get. Dash. Ladies. DJ. Aya so. Tell you now how I should make this. Guys and girls. Ready now! Who you ready? No beer! No boy man, the secret for you. She said, wait. He said, bend down low, let me tell you what me know, let me tell you what me know when you bend down low. Me see it say your kitty fat, it a show. Me see it now your yard, the back not too low. Cock up little more tip and your toe falls here. Wrap about left so care low. Pan the body, pose like that me know. Me didn't tell you say me, you can't say your name no. She get the icicle and she like it. And me love tap it up with the ice pick. Two of me love it bad, call me like a pity. With it for daily and nightly. Anywhere me go, me gun they beside me. Cause a good kitty there, a something to fight me. Turn it front way, turn it back. Can you make me? From downstairs to back upstairs. She a whisper this in my ear. She said, look, me say bend over more, make me tell you for sure. You know love making, you love it hardcore. Bed make up, we a go on the floor. When the neighbor them asleep, we reach round the yard door. She say she never make it to the drugstore. For the bird control, me come in a armor. In that mount of money, you be a bad sure. You get the bicycle and you like it. You get the bicycle and you like it. What I feel like? May I work for the people then? What I feel like? Read them again.
Diamond, need a vagina.
Some boy don't know every dance that me a talk up. Me a tell you me. Me a tell you me. Hold on, belly flat, belly mark up. Oh, pull up. Pull up that. Diamond, say something to them.
They say what?
Diamond, need a vagina.
Don't talk to no.
Rhythm.
Diamond, need a vagina.
Some boy don't know if it has any attack up. She a fit take off the boot bus. She a fit take off the boot bus. The other one, do it and done. Remember you are the tightest bum. Me a tell you say me a beg you up. You ready, Diamond? Bend over. I wind up your body, girl, wind to the top. Turn around for your back shot. Post my dick cocky like it's a trap shot. Make me use me black, make me take a snapshot. I don't know some shop, petty man stand. The time was the first simple fat. Equal. Me no done. Bumbo, hey. So just give it out. Yo. Diamond, no, you win. Officer, I want bad one escape a while ago. But in my defense, vagina was on the stage. I'm just saying. Read them up. Wind up your body, come me want you. Like it, girl, I the want you. Baby, this is what me want you do. It long till the bend like that. Come wind up your tight kitty panda. It long till the bend like. And then you turn back with your girl, sit down on it. Let me push it in a chemisa. Wind up your tight kitty panda. It long till the bend like. Yeah, girl, you're so good me off it. Come in and make your cellar now. Let me videotape it. But no ask about it. And he said, me that give your girl, sit down on it. What me bench ya make me. But if it is a lala, me have a park it. So come wind up your tight kitty panda katia. It long till the bend like. Come wind up your tight kitty panda. It long till the bend like. And then you turn back with your girl, sit down on it. Let me push it in a every song. Wind up your tight kitty panda. It long, it. All of the good old girls, let's go! Me know if you touch your wine, no me Shaneil, he doggy style. Back it up and the dumper drum. Come round here. How you want to your must can touch? Who can touch must can? Set good light. Who want to keep it tight? You want to sing like a baby and make the touch more easier. Look, when you are run, but me just start up. As you come, so you just want cut. But this condom start bust. In your belly juice must back up, yeah. Set good light, the icing up. What to keep it tight, you want? Baby and make the look. You love get much and that sweet, yo. Love bellies and love that sweet, yo. Sit down on the girl that sweet, yo. Foot on shoulder. Can you put it tight so early night? Can you know where come a little bit? Can you put it tight so early night? Dash. Voila. Don't rush. Don't rush. People, I've been waiting months for this. To reach back on the yard and eat some really hard food, smoke some really hard weed. Big up the mother them backstage. Big up Shati. Big up Sharika. Adiana. Oh, my man is a family man. Don't do me that. Remember, I'm a family man. Where you are going now? Family aside, don't know when me and the talks them are going now. Drop it. Ready now! In the song, you're feeling that in the dog club. Mommy and ladies! This is feeling that in the massage bar, you know. Get ready! No man never tell you this yet, me and me love you. Over this, around this, up! Bust a dance, so, yeah, oh, see don't fall at it in all the ground. Or you want back it up like a drum. She know what don't wish I every style, you know. Bend over, sir. Up in your ear, can the bulldozer go. Bend over, sir. Bend over, sir. Look. Gal, do what you feel like, gal, and your choice. Don't make a gal. Don't make a gal shame you with her vice. Like say you are the devil in a passion of Christ. You know if you don't feel, make me feel nice. Me give you my money, you give me paradise. Do what we happy till we do it next time. So now, come up back me baby, when you come there. Good up now, come up back me baby, when you come there. Girl, oh you love the touch. See don't part of the till all the rock. Or you want back it up like a jug. She know I know missionary style, you know. Bend over sir, bend over sir. Up in your ear and the bulldozer go. Look. One thing for sure, two things for certain. Yeah, you're not boring, yeah, you're not lame. Do it for the fortune, do it for the fame. Me no matter where people are class, your girl. Do I need ya? So girl, be a freak and never complain. Unless me a cuss, oh, give me more. Daily day, tell me. Remember how you tell me you love sugar cane. Who don't know? Dash. That's for the ladies. Where you for me now, Chrome? Mommy! What does a freestyle?
Watch how you bend to beat them back.
What does a freestyle? What does a freestyle? Up that's a road, that's a road, that's a who do a girl? Who do ready now? Guess what? Why the girl? Give me the next one on the neck, me go and drive it out. Hot taxi, pum pum, go and go cool out. Next one on the neck, me go and drive it out. Hot taxi, pum pum, go and go cool out. 50 man and refresh your body. That means that your pum pum a taxi. Me feel like 51, but me no want it. Look, you want him there. You want him there. Me say you want him there. And nothing tell me. Pull up. General. Running. Say you do it. Ready now. And that are the talking and the saying. Me say you want him there. You want him there. Me say you want him there. My brethren tell me. Me say you want him there. No, you want him there. Sure she want him there. My brethren tell me. I mean Jerry Ping when Kerry Ping Jerry. And that's why I love Blackberry. Me, I gonna leave me just stay by yourself. You must see my gang, so you see my ready. That simple means say you give already. Me auntie they tell me you nothing trust you. The door pulling up, you don't leave already. Me no search phone, but the text still a show. He sent me a shell down Jamaica today. Hey, Dash. Ready now. Hold on, don't play. Months for the road. With the city all over the world. One thing. You know that they have to forward you so soon. You don't forward before Sunfest. And the Grinch them say, no, you love Jamaica too much. This bag of party in this bag of earth. Me say, and that make me want to come home. Want me tell you now what?
Take them right every phone line.
Baby, why no? Baby, why no? Baby, why no? Hey, your pussy make me have to come home. And you alone, see the panic, like I say you feel your tone. Then you keep it pretty, send a picture to me phone. Bubble panic, we say that me love it when you're more. If your man cocky there, if you keep it pushing, you got travel with a comb. See this up in your way, I'm a than a bone. Stand up in when you pretty, you come kitty when you own. Me nah left, me nah left, me nah left. But the make a your body wicked in a bed. She can't say you can't bubble by your head. Baby, 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 look, listen, God, your kitty make you have to come home. Loving you to death, sing it round just so feed it to try your figure. I feel member, I better say you no forget. Say that's something that I put the pepper in your step. If your man body there, remember say me better than a pack of cigarette. See the body you wet, longer than a jet. Can't open your kitty because when you, but me nah left, me nah left, me nah. Me nah left, me nah left, me nah. But the make a nobody wicked in a bed. She can't say you can't bubble by your head. Baby, want me feel hot? How me hot so? I wonder, where me out?
You ready for them?
XO, XO.
You ready for them, General?
If you want it,
what you know?
So much, so much, so much things I did not say. People in the soul, one burner life hard. Anyway, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Broke it, set it, broke it, set it, broke it, set it, broke it. Bend over, action, somehow you got extra. Forget me not when it feeds you. What you say? Wine for me, baby, everything crisp. I wish you that. When you look back at you, I mean that. Doggy style, puppy whisper. My body so good, it give the fire fever. If you can't broke it off, hasta la vista. Y'all have it, have a, hit it, power, grab it, Lego, quick, lower. Wow, summer, that's what you done. Philippi, Wallapan, Kulupu, Philippi, Kolopon, Alaman, Yalapan. Tommy Tom Cool, action. Extra, forget me not when it's sweet. You, what you say? Female. Wine for me, baby, everything crisp. My good love, dash. One heap of song, and I perform as much as them for my people. Hold on. You ready for that? Eh? Whoa? Oh, you ready for that? What me wrong there? How me not drink nothing?
Mommy, how you feeling?
Give me a bottle of rum.
Mommy, how you feeling?
Me can't drink one. Give me one more. This stuff is somebody in the crowd. Give me a next rum. This is for a girl in the crowd. Make money every day.
Tonight is a treat.
Bubble for me, boo.
Don't forget that.
Money, money, ignite the world. Money make my dream come true. Yeah, me love it when you whine me, girl. I forget a night with her. Yeah, me love it when you wine me, girl. When the next round then? Drop top. You wicked dog. Me can't drink this by myself. I just give it. Now I get a lucky lady in the crowd. You can't catch? Catch this. Hold this. That's for you and your friends to drink. And you know why me give that?
Ready now!
Yo, mommy.
Run this up, that's a cross, that's up.
Party get just with some cheap vibes from with some sun you can be cooking and the gas. Bam! Jano! Somebody get nice. Get the white, the red, the over. Nothing. Jump with me. Everywhere we party. Everywhere we party. People who have been know what make the glass and ransom.
General! Put it.
Can't get in the magnum and stand it up. Look the air, where's the most can I know? Look! Your boxer. Your jumper. Your king card. What the girl them say? I just love your gig, girl. I just love your gig, girl. Turn it up, then up, hey. One thing in the end, you know me love you so much. Take your time in a no rush. Shorty, swing off for me in the night. Good. That's right. Hold on. Remember now. Where will the vibes? I just said my brother there, what I say. What would I say? Thanks for you, fan. Low now. All of the real guys them. Me can't lie. Vegas, Sam, but hey, man,
Roll this up, up this up, cross this up.
I'm going.
Ready now.
Look. Me have two songs on the rhythm. Me can't start with one shot. Me a driving from Plainfield with a phone and the marijuana. Police pull me over, step to the car, and this how where you want to stay. But a piece from there, and up and look. You must go and share, boy, what you gonna do? Me light up the way dance there. For them. So come put on the handcuffs there. Try me go there, I'm the idea say. Love me with the ganja. I come to feel up back. No arrest the farmer. Look, you. Me no want a boring walk. Me no want a boring wife. Me no want a boring grind. Move the clothes and go on the line. Me no want a boring wife. Nah, me no want a... Be a day. Broke the body like Jamaica stick. Enough girls flap where you flick. Enough of them popped up when time to take. And who hold on for me to watch them like the uncle and girl. Aisha, come here.
Mommy!
People, now I'm telling you something. I have to be honest. When people are try with them. You never can tell what can happen. So Bounty Killer try with Vybz Kartel. So Bounty try with Montego. So Bounty try with so much of them. Kartel forward and say, Tommy Lee! We forward and say, yeah! So I'm forward and say, Gaza Slim. Matter of fact, introducing Vanessa Bling as Gaza Slim. For the young them will tell them man say. Alright, thank you. Remember me, me couldn't know why. Now try with Ice Ryan. Try with me, please. Bring it.
When the girl I'm gonna be able to sound the pussy is real good. One time. What was it? To be the inner nothing more. Them a walk and a chat say me. Every night when I shoot the morning, boy come and have a big good. What? That boy there. Now me and cut you. I feel like you no matter when. Couldn't put up with you and you. What was that? So stop. No, watch out me, good. Yeah, power. Love me good, pussy make it prosper. Can't stress me out, give me harder. Listen now, me have to step up me game. Me skin crowd with me air all in me, yeah. They have to complain. Every girl can relate to my pain. Listen, you know some try with it, but me just couldn't die with it. Everything our time limits, so I'm riding in your time off the blood clot. What? So stop, watch out. Who is it?
Oh.
Yeah.
Issue.
Yes.
Now you have a new song, one people.
All right.
They will test Jamaica, when they will test it in France, and it mash up the dance. Ready? No, we never say so. And the teacher.
The standards are the standard.
Why?
You're crazy. Oh my days, oh my nights, oh my evenings, bitches.
Look, I'm going to test the crowd this shit. When me say whoa,
What?
yeah, give me good. Just check it. Just check it. Play with one flip now.
Bam, bam, bam.
What you mean? But before that, Aishana, you be the baby.
Come fuck me and video me cute pussy with your big body. Your Samsung better focus right when me sing on your mic like symphony. Video me click when you finger me. The orange kerchief, yeah, strangle me. Like a labor right with me green baggy put to the side of me body jar.
Hold on there, hey. Hey, scatter don't fix me. Aishana, I'll sense you me.
Wait.
Yeah.
I need to know some love you, right?
Yes.
And I'm here to support you, the world boss.
Yes.
If I don't know so enough love Vybz Kartel, when I say vibes, you say cartel. Vibes? Vibes? Alright, one kingdom. No bugger argument. Big up yourself, Vybz Kartel. I love you. Mwah.
Oh. Yes, that was Aishana. Give her a round of applause.
Hold the mission.
You know what's going on?
Alright.
General.
People, may I tell you, no, one burner life hard.
General! You ready again?
Problem.
Look on the light, there's a road.
You enemy.
Cross over the floor.
Come right this up. Can when me do you make her do me that? Can when me do you make her do me that? Can when me do you make her do me that? Why? Wait, what you really mean when you say no yet? Then what make you never do school and if you be a man bang, you now fit your 6 banded eyes. Me and Spice thing, a friend something. You want to be a liar, she can't tell me no. Browning me never this yo. No matter what you tell you, you don't believe it. And when we do, you make her do me that. And when we do, you make her do me that. And when we do, you make her do me that. Look, one thing me know. You talk now when I called. What you tell me last night? She tell me she not let go. She tell me she not. She tell me she tell me. Let me say. Me get girl everywhere me go. But are you really love everybody now? Okay. Good. May I talk a true story?
Ready?
Mommy, around the cross, that's up. Hold this up. Hold this up.
Set me free.
Hold it ready.
Get out of there. Wait, wait. Love there. Take that jump. Before it, girl. Show me if I love them. Get that touch them.
Ready again.
Look. Shanti catch me last night. With a fat brown girl I stand by. And me all up and say that's alright. You know you are the love of my life. No worry, cause you are my wife. Me never mean to. You want to believe me. Another girl. You know you want me everything. Me no need another. When I back again, that's what you expect me to do. Take that touch there. Every love there. Look. Before suit Sherika bring that I'm a baby mother a sentan. She tell me say if me get an next youth. Me say no matter with the suicide thing. See don't guess let me tell you what it. Me swear for love you till time end. Me say me never mean to. You have to believe me. And gonna have a baby. Me no need another. Tell me what you expect me to do. Before it, girl. Where's the nothing? Pull up. What are you? Pass me a cheer from now, yeah.
Mommy!
Yeah.
Every lighter.
Yo.
Up this around this up.
And make sure that cheer over them I give me. Strong like me and see them relationship.
Every light around this up.
The queen is here.
And the teacher.
Everyone grab a girl.
And every girl grab a man. When you come in, I'm a ramping shop. And I don't chat.
Come here, me got you longer than me night. Tell me what you like. You want me drive or you want to ride it like a bike?
When you have to rub it hard, the cocky don't be light. Now me chief is fight, not because me pussy
So
tight.
when me put it on the left, can you take it on the right?
Nipple them a right, set it up in a me try.
Kitty appetite, every nipple get a bite.
See they want to go see me and I want to go fight. Cause me have to wipe for your cocky like this. Pull up!
Spice me up, pull up the rich feeling.
Let me get up, cause you have to get the lyrics.
Yes, you are one family with a big body, what you expect? All I blood left out of the head. Alright. All I blood left out of that head, yeah. You know that head there. Yeah. Talk to them, McQueen. What about?
But there, it's a joy to be here.
Yes.
Sunfest, how you feeling? One king. You ready again?
You ready, baby?
I want to say something before we do the next song.
Yeah, you know what you're going to say.
I know when you come out of prison,
Yes.
you're a little bit sick and thing.
Yes.
But me feel like you get better now.
Yes.
Me feel like you're back ready for this.
Not really.
Wanna feel like you can manage this?
The occasion. Oh, you have a change? This serious then?
It's no, cause it's not a small thing. It's a very big thing.
Like a bumper?
It's a big moment.
Oh, okay. So what you have to do?
Give me the next song and me come back.
Before you leave. You remember this?
You remember this?
Yes.
Sunfest, you remember this? Sing it for you.
One time began, you hold me.
Now only a long life I knows the story.
And you
it up. Come force up the body up in my stomach. Can you do it on your knee? The back has come up. Make sure you're not weak as a hot puff killer. Every pillar catch a fire, all match has spun up. Just come at the door quick like the call of a love. Get us up with the breeze, the touch has to grow. Be a wipe on the beat. Tip up on your door, you're not happy sure. Nothing can work, so we got the door. Pose like you are playing domino. Boy, can you see you are wine slow? And I wait for the long thing go below. But me don't come fast, say you never know. I know you are the bad boy, Trevor Joe. Come me always high, so me never know. My baby. Boom, boom, type on. Welcome back home again. It's a big thing.
Behind Spice feel good, you see? I wish that I could have this moment for life. With Spice.
Love you, mama.
Love you too. People, time has come. Remember we are Jamaica. And as much as sometimes we corrupt and bad mind, one thing, when it come time for unity, strength, we're there. Together. Make a prayer with him.
Every light around the song. Every phone light.
I want Jamaica.
Everybody that here, every phone light.
Big up Miss Grange.
Round the song.
Backstage.
Up the
Real
song.
boss lady. Big up Miss Havas.
Every
Turn it
phone
up.
light.
Jamaica. Sing the party. Don't judge a baby up this morning. Look there. Cut round but a kiss for me darling. Tell her son if you are touching on the street. In the street we see poor people balling. No juvenile people down from morning. When the black woman's future me off it. When the system I don't machine. Now big up the girl them we fight it alone. And now we a slow street pick the pan them one. When the man them Babylon have them in a jail. Pick up the juvenile them in the street. Where you see them a go make it and not touch the chrome. Them no one we fi claim our own. But we not find no fool in a row. Sing now. Babylon where we go. Hungry from morning till night come. Them I wonder if they get to what go stop. I wonder if we catch in the shop. I wonder if Jack on him back. I wonder if we start from scratch. I'm judge and me wake up this morning. Stand up and rise up when we see it storming. Pull up. People, 13 years in a prison. Forward out. In a prison there, they may pray and I say, Father God, need help. Get me out of this place. It's not the worst, even though we all sin and come short of the glory of God. I mean, I tell you, I go through it.
Preach it, brother.
Yeah, I mean, I look at sympathy, I just show you how God come through when you want Him to, when you really believe for your heart. Come out, get visa. I not even didn't know I could get visa. But I got it.
That's a
Reach
testimony.
England, visa again. Reach Europe. I mean, they don't make a promise to Father God, I come out. I'm not perfect, but I not do no rubbish. I not get in trouble, I not promote certain things. But then I pass. And like I say, that's just me. I'm never live by them words until I'm dead. You see me? Because I don't know what would happen to me if I did still in prison. So I have to live by the promise I make to God till the day I die and bury. Read it.
Every phone line. Every phone line.
No matter what you're going through, count your blessings, yeah. Jamaica, we are live. 2025. Well, today is a new day. Pull. Again. No. Pull up. Satan fear.
Mommy!
Remember that.
This is a testimony.
Big up to the hard-working people them. Spending the money and come here. There, big up on yourself, love and respect. And my job, I tell you now, my job, different than for do music and you know me I go sing about pum pum and them thing there.
But my job as a person, a positivity, right through, and love, bro. If somebody don't like you, so what? Nah, take nothing off of your table. Show love and go through people. Believe me, I best way. Rhythm. In poverty, mommy don't live there no more. She don't live there no more. Look. Big up my two baby mother them there, Shati, Sharika. Big up all baby mother when they are so. Turn it up. Mama, 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 my mother, my mother. Mama, 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 mama. She never carry me for one foot. She carry me for nine. We buy her the house before me buy mine. As she me give me heart and me mind. Come with me now go for save me no time. She teach me to fight for what's mine. Believe in your dream. Woman, that's why I love yourself. Me now go make you broke. Me put food in the earth. To maintain your ear the queen. Some boy tell them last the girl and the mother so far. Be everything. If you love your mother, mama, 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 my mother, your mother, mama, 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 mama,
Mommy!
Yeah, people. Yeah, but just how I'm up now. Spice? Is she love her man? Is she there? Oh my God. I love this. Of course, yes.
Turn up every light.
I love this.
This is a very big thing.
Turn up every light.
This looks serious now.
Push up every phone light. Every phone light.
Sunfest, Jamaica.
Serious. No, sir.
You have spoken. Somebody bring the chair forward for me now, so the people can see that we are letting their voice be heard.
Mr. Chairman.
Jamaica, you have spoken, and we have heard it. So as I stand here tonight on the soil of Jamaica, we are here to honor the legacy of Adija Azim Palmer. May I have the pounds, please? On behalf of Reggae Sumfest, Joe Bogdanovich, Jamaica, the rest of the Caribbean, the entire Jamaica, Gaza Nation, the music fraternity, the entire world has spoken.
No, sir. Be serious.
We are here to crown the world boss, the teacher, acutely perspicacious,
yes,
omnigenous.
yes.
You are a legend. You have paved the way for all of us. Vybz Kartel, you are the blueprint. Dancehall near the string. You have orchestrated some of the biggest anthems in the entire dancehall music. And for tonight, we salute you. We thank you. They have two crowns for you to choose from. We know you said God is the greatest. And these crowns are not being given to you. You have earned it.
We try them simple people.
Let the world hear it. Jamaica, when you're spending the money, do the right thing. Do the right thing.
Love alone, people. Love alone. Love alone. That's what I'm doing. Love alone, people. Love alone. Dance squad tonight. Remember, one Jamaica.
God is the greatest.
Love alone.
One crow just stop.
Everything good enough to make the people know now.
Everything is okay, people. Everything is okay.
Yeah.
I will set up the people in to run.
Don't worry. Yeah, you know what, we chose this. The people them said this is the throne.
On behalf of the entire Jamaica, the music fraternity, Joe Bogdanovich and Reggae Sumfest, we are here to crown the legend, Adija.
We never have no choice.
Nothing, no, nothing. Remember, send the king sent to me now.
Yeah, I'll do that.
And the king said, no man never put the crown on his head.
Yes.
Remember, me in there Europe and the king said, Queen, and you will want to put the crown on the head.
You're just giving back their money.
Yeah. On behalf of the music fraternity and the entire Jamaica, Reggae Sumfest, Joe Bogdanovich, the entire world, the entire Sunfest, Gaza Nation, we are here to crown the legend, Adija, Azim, Palmer, all hail the king of dancehall, Vybz Kartel!
Let's go!
Long live the king of dancehall!
Thank you. Make your DJ a song. Oh, Joe, right now, you want to say something?
This is a great historical moment.
Yeah.
We're blessed to be here. People get excited sometimes and they do some things. But you know, it's all about love. It's about charity. It's about community and helping.
No, it's all good.
Vybz Kartel still a perform. There was a Stampede a while ago.
Not nice.
Honestly, I have no idea what happened. I don't know what happened a while ago. But the whole place is a mess. Yo, trust me.
Big boy dress up like police. No run.
There is shoes, chairs, everything, everywhere. I don't even know what we think them, but I tell you. There was a stampede a while ago. I'm not sure if we will catch the crowning of Vybz Kartel, but the whole place is a mess. People up on the floor, people everywhere. Everything laugh. I try to make my way out, brother, because God knows. We couldn't do this. I feel pain in the whole of me. You see me, I say, oh, you see a road, yeah man, walk by. I feel pain every single way, brother. And I know we don't know what happened. The whole place, crowd, everything just a tumble down the whole place. Trust me. Here people know what I asked a while ago if anybody find an iPhone.
Yeah, my people.
Them not give up back that. The whole place mess up. From the Stampede a while ago, like crazy. Watch out. Stampede up my while ago. Mess up a whole place. But just I try and make my way out. And things. Like this is crazy. But yeah, at the end of the show, for me, I guess Vybz Kartel just come off a stage. Like right at the crowning, chaos went loose. So just I try to head out here now one thing. It's crazy.
Now, come on.
At the end.
Artists round
At the end for me. That is it. Yeah, right now, the show is over for me. Just I try to make my way out, and I tell you, yeah. The venue ram-packed. If you can tell from the drone shot, trust me, a whole heap of people come out, a whole heap of ladies. I'm telling you, Joe Bogdanovich, you did it. So this is just the end of the show for me. I'm just walk through and show you exactly what I go on after the show. This is actually the VIP section. Most of the people them have to come out a while ago because a whole heap of people get injured and things. So like myself, that's why me actually I move and I feel a serious pain in my foot. So I have to go move now. No joke, no doubt. Watch it again, trouble again, watch it again. Watch it again, watch it again. Watch it again. And nobody don't know what happened. People just run, bro. And nobody don't know what happened. Watch it. What is happening again? Watch out. And nobody don't know what happened. Watch out. What me I tell you now, man, say? I can't tell her what go on. See one lady that get hurt. See that girl that drop. Oh my word. And nobody don't know what happened. You see? The whole place just stampede out. You see me I talk about? Right, so one lady here. Watch out, sir. Watch out, the lady here collapsed. I don't even know which direction to go because we don't even know what happened. What is happening? I don't understand. So this lady here dropped down. I don't understand. Yo, this is so crazy, yo. The sick be at the down there, sir. The sick be at the down there, sir. I don't even know which way to go. I don't even know what happened. And I hurt me hip in a car, so I can't even run. What is that now? Watch out. Can't even tell her what happened. Yo, what is, brother? Watch out. On the ground. Everybody will try to remain calm, but we don't know what go on, brother. Okay, dog, somebody lose all them pants. Whole like pants. Me a walk on a app. Jaja no. Can't even tell what happened. Ja. Me just try to make my way out of it, you God know, cause I this to me. Me not sure what go on. I'm tell you say me hurt me hip star, God no. Can't do this. Me out. Check. Right, that's it. Shaneil no perform yet, and maybe a few artists no perform yet, but I hit that to me, me done. Can't do no more.
Is Sunfest. Turn up the microphone, please. Turn up the top. See that? I hear what this one in that crowd. I hear that crowd at all. Yes, I'm just in a full food. The power to come back up one. Press me at the breeze and dance.
Me outside. Done, me done.
Before we bring on the artist, the outfit player that song here. Everybody in here that believe in the Father must sit down. Press play. Skip it. Everybody. Praise the Lord. Oh, what he has done. Oh, he has set my.
Enough people are make them way out, brother.
Sing, skip it, I go. Sit your ear out. Watch it. He has done. Oh, want to sing it again?
Jaja no. I don't like that end there. Oh, sorry, my friend.
The people that wear what? Oh, what he has. Somebody say, he has set your spirit free. He is like.
Oh my God, the foot are hot.
Praise the Lord. For he has. For everybody in here.
Watch out.
Look for your neighbors.
All the fence tear down.
Look for your neighbors.
Look at the stampede. The stampede tear down the fence.
No man curse.
Root you out of
Who
the
God bless. No man curse. Tonight.
Stampede root the fence out of ground, brother. Watch out.
Me want to preach to all the people that brought the hypocrite them in the crowd.
This is the direction where crowd a stampede from go straight towards the stage.
You see the people that must the youth them can't rise.
I hate that for me.
Because when the youth them bust on the same one, and the people that will try the bandwagon, all who know for your song will dance on. Put one hand in the sky. Put one hand in the sky. And my fire tonight. My fire tonight is that every person here will give the youth a chance to express themselves. Give the youth a chance to grow and to learn. Reggae Sumfest. Pray for it.
Jaja no.
Pray for it. Pray for it.
Great show, but I eat that for me.
Fuck the stage.
Some just make my way out of the venue. Swear. I think so far this is the biggest stage show me ever attend to blows and skirt. Maddest. I don't know how all of them people are going to move. I probably have to just build back in my van a little bit. Because there's no way everybody are going, this crowd are going to move one time. It's not possible. Look there. There's no way. Oh, my hip are killing me, bro. Oh, Jaja.
Anybody catch my ear? 85 go. Now get up out and go on here.
Sure. Oh, my word. Alright. Yo, I don't know how we are going to do this. We find vehicle and to leave. This is going to take me like maybe another 2 hours to leave. Yes, this is my walk going. Jaja no. Not even nothing to eat. Sorry, here.
Okay.
Yeah,
After all that,
oh my God.
That's like your hug.
That's why I leave. Me hip hurt me hip, man.
Eh?
Yeah, me slip between the iron. And I know me still don't know what happened.
Yeah, me neither, man.
You neither, right?
I think it's people that get crazy, you know, and
Jesus.
and then it creates that, you know.
Everybody just go crazy, running.
And we agree that there were still Skeng and Tommy Lee that were supposed to play,
Yeah,
right?
artists still leave, Tommy Lee still
So
have
that's
perform,
what
Skeng the
everybody
performance.
did, but because of the
Yeah,
that happened.
yeah, the trumpet, that's why everybody leaving. Because we don't know exactly how I go on.
I hope that nobody gets hurt, man.
Me get hurt.
You got hurt? What happened to you?
My hip.
I'm happy I'm strong, you know.
Cheese and peas.
Sometimes I stop the movement, you know.
We couldn't stop it.
No, like not
I go
stop it.
every
One time we
1,000
were at the
people.
bar, you know, I was like, no man, I
It
don't.
was like 1,000 people. My G still a sell. I don't know.
When I say I stop, I mean I didn't fall, you know.
Oh yeah. Oh my word.
Because when you fall, it's like when people get on you and
Which country are you from?
Belgium.
Oh man, welcome to Jamaica. Right now, Just I try to get out of here. Sorry, my friend. Walk me, I go walk it. Walk me, I walk it. This will come like it's a video by itself, bro.
You have to go somewhere where we can't find.
Like, what was it like leaving Sunfest? Judge I know. After the Stampede. Yo. I don't even know where to go.
I can't believe I fucking did that shit. Y'all so tagged.
Because show are going good, man. When I tell you say show that going so good. Brilliant show. And then Stampede. Jaja.
It's not crazy, like
Who's that? Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I always hear about Stampede.
Just I try to make it to the parking lot. Swear to God. Just I go and show now the vibe same way as we walk to the parking lot. I'm a park far enough because I end up there the VIP parking lot. So. I put a hat in, brother. But I can't say the show still a go on. But half of the people them a leave.
Behind you. See me behind you.
I tell you say the show active same way, you know? But nobody now stay. Everybody a leave. Judge, I know. I'm crossing. I'm walking on the road like a white line. No free. People still are trying to sell low. Why this are the aftermath, brother? Try and make my way back now. Georgia.
You damaged the engine.
tell us that the show did nice, you know, man. Yeah, man, just say a word, man. Let me just walk through here, so. Think we can get a better walk through here, so. I try to reach back the vehicle. Yo, mad tired. And me I feel pain. Yo, my hip are mad me. Where all of this water you come from? Yo. This is crazy, brother. This is the Mega Mark parking lot where I walk through. Right now I try to leave the venue. I know I can't come out of this venue or for now. So better me just try to stay in the van and lie down and take a 5 because now I'm going to move. And this not going to run off easy to the amount of people. But all I can say congratulations to Sunfest, Joe and the whole crew. The show shot. Venue rammed to capacity. I don't even know which part we're walking on. I shut the bus, make it forward for him, so I'm not even know if there's a gate around us or something. But I just try to move out one gate or something. Hold on. One to go to the other gas station. I can't get out now. So I talk about everywhere block up, nobody can move, nothing can move. So might as well me just build in a vehicle. Watch it. Cheese and peace. They are going to light up before this traffic here. Get a chance to move. I tell you. It doesn't even make sense. We go nowhere. Watch it. Road block up. If we go, come everywhere. Look at this. Jaja. But yeah. Hope you enjoy the whole vibe, the whole Sunfest now. Not even sure how I'm going to release the videos then, but I'm going to do it.
Charge now. So right now, I almost reached the VIP spot. So yeah, man. So yeah, massive Sunfest was really nice, but my foot, brother. Oh my word, I just want to rest it and come off it, you know. Slip, crowd push, shove my foot straight through the iron. The people them just forward, foot did stuck. I have to climb up on the thing where the man have the crane pan and sitting, so try to reach the van. You know, but big up everybody who watch the video. I'm gonna just drop this here so I can see exactly what's going on, you see? So, a mad move, man. Peace. I'm tired. I feel pain. Just want to reach me a beer load. So, I'm gonna big up, respect Sunfest 2025. Was great, but the ending, boy, rough. The ending, not a good look at all. See that? There's nowhere these vehicles are going right now, no way. So all me I gotta do is just stay in the van. Yo, my teacher, show great thing about me. I tell us that the Stampede a while ago kind of mash up everything, bro. Right now, foot are stuck in one eye and mash up on me hip and I not even know what happened. Like you know, see people just yeah, and then it happened again. Just like me say I go and chill. I tell you, man, I try to come and fight. Blouse and skirt. So massive, big up and I feel some pain. I can't never done a video good, but big up every time. Respect.